my algebra is Nikolai, and my algebrata is you.
What kind of thing is
An
this? What about the
algebra
algae? Oh,
algebra mother
the algebro.
is Mrs. Markwives.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay, we're gonna
that's
lock
nice.
in. All right, are you ready now? For like for the last time, are you ready?
Yes, sir, we're ready.
Yes, sir.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. 1 second, I just check any preview.
Um,
Okay, let me go. Right. So people share the live with your auntie, your uncle, your brother, your sister, everybody. I'll tell them what to do. I'll tell them what to do. Guys, tell them what to do.
subscribe, like the video,
Like and
follow,
subscribe. Like
follow,
and
Right.
subscribe. And
like
follow for
the
more.
live on every single platform you're streaming on.
Join
Every
sisters.
Just love maths.
love maths.
Just yeah.
Become one with the maths.
Eat maths
Hashtag
for
maths is not
eat
hard.
eat ma- eat
Eat
maths for
maths. Hey,
breakfast,
hey,
lunch,
hey.
dinner.
Next thing TikTok ban my life because they say something else. They say eat something else.
So
What, sir?
so
You need to get your mind out the
so
gutter.
I said mathematics,
So,
okay?
No,
Not
no, no,
anything
like
else,
what sounds
whatever.
like math? What
maths
sounds
and
like math?
mathematics.
What sounds like math? Breaking Bad kind of thing?
Oh.
What was
Eh?
think what?
Oh. Oh,
What? All right,
okay.
let
Nothing,
me
let's
go.
move on.
Right. So
Let's move on.
Neela, factorize completely 12x plus 18. How would I do that, Neela?
You have to um find what could go into both of them.
Right. What going to about 12 and 18 per chance?
6.
Right? So we could pull out 6. So whatever you put on the outside, it must multiply to give you back the original thing. So tell me, what would I put back here to get back 12x?
So to get 12 will be 2, but since we have x, it'll be 2x.
Right? And what would I multiply by 6 to get back 18?
3.
3. Bam. You all right for that?
Yes, sir.
And here's a way to check to see if your answer is correct, right? If you want to see if your answer is correct, you could expand your brackets and you're supposed to get back the original thing. So Neela, how would I expand those brackets?
By multiplying 6 with 2, x and 3,
And where's 6 by 2x?
12x plus
And 6 by...
18.
Bam. Do we get back the original thing?
Yes, sir.
Bam. So we are correct. So this is factorization by the greatest common factor. Let me know if you're okay with that.
Yes, sir.
Right, so let me get my worksheet real quick and we'll do some more questions.
Okay, nice.
Guys, I find like the live too dead. I'll do something, make people join the live. I don't know why they were live moving so dead. I don't know. I don't know where's that one.
All right, Ollie. Oh, McDonald have a farm,
Oh no, you got scared the people
E-I-E-I-O.
away.
And on
Hey,
his
wait,
farm, he
stop.
has some
You go,
maths.
Wait,
yes.
copyright, copyright.
Maths! Maths!
We shall go scare the people away, yes.
Oh, maths
No, the singing.
with algebra there and 6, 7 here.
I love that. Oh,
Algebra
that was a good one. That
6,
was a good
7.
one. Algebra there and 6, 7 there. That was a good one. Not gonna lie, that was a good one.
Ooh, I
Right.
will try this one. I will try this.
Okay, so guys, the first category we're going to look at is factorizing by pulling out the greatest common factor. So like what is the highest term that could go into both terms? Essentially, that's what a factor is. A factor is a number that could go into another number without leaving a remainder. So let me just give you guys a rundown as to what a factor is. So anybody can tell me a possible factor of 20?
1 and 20 itself. Oh, 1. Sorry.
Right? So people tell me, what are some factors at 20? Somebody said 10. 10 is correct. 10 is correct, yeah.
4, 5,
Right? So
Yeah.
we have 4. We have 5. What else are some factors at 20?
10.
10, what else?
2. 2 could be a factor.
Yeah. Boy, this thing have real factors, boy. This thing moving like a
And
red
and
girl.
20 itself.
This thing moving like a red girl. You know what I mean?
I will take that as a offense because I am a
oh,
red girl, okay?
oh,
But
shucks.
anyway,
Oh, shucks. And what else could go into 20,
anyway,
guys?
20.
20, yeah. What else could go into 20?
1,
Right. So let me explain what a factor is, right? So a factor is something that could go into a number without leaving a remainder. So for instance, 4 could go into 20 5 times, no remainder. 5 could go into 20 how much times?
4 times. It's just the
Without leaving.
opposite way.
And 10 could go into 20 how much times?
2 times. 10 times 2 is
Twice.
20.
2 could go into 20 how much times?
10.
10 times.
Right, so you
Without leaving
understand,
a
all
remainder.
these numbers, all those numbers could go into 20 without leaving a remainder. So a factor is another number that could divide a number without leaving a remainder. That's what a factor is. So a factor, no remainder. Remember that, no remainder. Cool. So let's look at 6x plus 9. I'm going to change it. Oh, never mind. I'll leave it like this. I was going to put 6x plus 7. All right. So can anybody tell me what is a common factor between 6x and 9? Talk to me, guys.
3, sir.
3, sir.
3.
So
People
3,
on TikTok,
you
people on the
say,
TikTok
you say
and
common factor, right?
yeah, so 3 could go into both 6 and 9. So we pull out 3. And so guys, if I pull out 3, right? What by 3 would give me back 6x? What would I have to multiply by 3 to get back 6x?
2x.
2x.
Right? 2x. And what would I have
And
to
in order for you
multiply
to
by
get
3?
9, you have to multiply 3 by 3.
Right. So that's the answer. Good. So you'll get 3 by 2x plus 3. Now, if you want to check if your answer is correct, what you had to do? Remind me.
Expand the
You have
brackets.
to expand the brackets.
Right? You have to expand the brackets. So we'll do that. If I were to expand my brackets, I'll multiply that 3 by everything. Joshima, why you not in class, boy? Why Joshima not in class? Don't know. I see Nia here. Nia, where's the plan? Nia, you come quiet. I even care.
Yes, sir. Now join for math.
All right, good. I was grinding on maths. But I expect to hear from you then. By the way, guys, or you could just send the link to my form, any form, 5 on the form for maths class. Let them join. Yeah, do that for my guys. So, Nia, if I wanted to check if my answer is correct, I could expand the brackets and I'm supposed to get back the original thing. So, Nia, where's 3 by 2x?
6x.
And where's 3 by 3?
9.
Do I get back the original expression?
Yes.
Bam, so are we correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are indeed correct. Cool. So guys, anytime you factorize and you want to check if your answer is correct, you're going to expand the brackets and it should get back the original thing. So let me do B. So Nia, let's do B together. So in B, we have 8x minus 12. Nia, what do you have in common between 8 and 12?
4.
So I could pull out 4. If I pull out 4, what would I write on the inside?
2x.
Minus?
Minus 3.
Good. And then if you expand the brackets, what are you supposed to get?
if I expand it,
Mm-hmm.
okay, I lost.
All right, so if you expand the brackets, that means to distribute the 4 across all the terms.
Oh, so it just means to get back the answer.
Yeah. So when I say expand the brackets, I'm telling you to take the number on the outside and multiply by everything on the inside. That's what I'm telling you.
Oh, okay, okay.
Right? And that's just a check to see if your answer is correct. That's a check to see if your answer is correct. All right, so cool. Let's do C together. So I see Andelina join. Andelina, I'll wait up and with C. So in C, we have AX plus BX. So Andelina, right now we're looking at greatest factorization by using the greatest common factor. So Andelina, tell me, what do we have in common between AX and BX?
X.
Both of them have an X in common.
Yeah.
You know who that remind me of? You know who that remind me of?
Nikolai.
Oh
Nikolai and
God.
Romano. Nikolai and Romano.
No.
All you give the people and them some time to learn. Oh my goodness, know the quorum.
They
The
don't
new
even know
ones,
the
eh?
law.
Not all the no, not all the new ones. Romano and Nikolai. Keep on. Let's search.
And Renisha are real breaking up, right? So Andelina, we see an X in common, so we're gonna pull out X, right?
Yes.
If I pull out X from EX, what am I gonna write in the bracket?
A.
And if I pull out X from BX, what am I gonna write in the bracket?
B.
You okay? You sound like you sound like you're a bit sad.
I'm so good.
But you
Yeah.
don't find Andelina sounding a bit, wake up or
So
something?
good. No. I, I good, sir. I just lie down here.
Okay. All right, let's do D now. In question D, we have 5x squared minus 15x. So we're gonna step up the level a bit. So Nia, I'm gonna try to make it a little less confusing, right? So Nia, 5x squared. What does 5x squared mean? What does x squared mean? Tell me, Nia, what does x squared mean? X squared. Okay, I don't hear Nia. Anybody want to tell me what x squared means?
X by
X
X.
times X.
Right? So guys, if you
Oh,
see 5x
you
squared,
think that
5x squared actually means 5 multiplied by x multiplied by x. Because x squared, what does x squared mean? X squared just means you're multiplying x by itself. X squared is x by x, right? So the reason I do that is so you could see it a bit better. So let's look at the numbers to begin with. You're seeing 5 here and you're seeing 15. What do 5 and 15 have in common? What's a common factor of 5 and 15?
5X.
Well, 5, right? We're starting off with 5.
Oh,
Cool.
sorry.
So does everybody in class agree that 5 could go into 5 and 15? I'm going to fully understand that. 5 could go into 5 and 15.
Yes, sir.
Right? So I'm going to pull out 5. And here's the next thing I'm going to ask you. How much x's are you seeing here?
2.
And how much x's is seeing here?
Just
1. So here's my question. How much x's do both of them have in common? So over here we have 2x and over here we have 1x. How much x's do both of them have in common?
1X, sir.
1x, right? Does this one have 2 x's?
No, sir.
No, just 1x. So both of them have 1x in common. So if both of them have 1x in common, what we could pull out?
We can pull out an X.
Yeah, we could pull out an x. And so what I write in the bracket then? So I got to pull out an x from there. And I pull out a 5. What would I write in this bracket?
X minus 3.
I would write x minus 3. So I'm going to go over this for anybody that might be confused. So 5x squared what does that mean? 5x squared. That means 5 by x, right? So this, you can see you have two x's over here, and you can see we have one x over here. So Neela, how much x's do both of them have in common?
1x.
Both of them have one x in common. So we're gonna pull out the x. Additionally, Neela, you see in 5 and 15, what could go into both 5 and 15?
3.
Nah, 3
5.
can't go into 5.
5. C.
5.
Sorry.
So you're gonna pull out 5x, and if you pull out 5x, and you're gonna put x here, right? You with me?
Yes, sir.
Right? So we put x here, and then we're gonna we pull out 5x from this, right? So you pull out the x, and so here's my question for you, Neela. What would you have to multiply by 5x to get back 15x?
3, sir.
Right, because 5 by 3 is 15, and by the x is 15x. So that's why I wrote a 3 on the inside. I'm wondering if you understood that.
Yes, sir.
And if you wanted to check if your answer is correct, what you could do,
Multiply by 5x by everything inside the bracket.
right? What's 5x by x?
5x squared
And what's 5x by minus 3?
minus 15x.
Good. Do we get back the original thing?
Yes, sir.
Right? So we factorize it correctly then. So let me give you all the next question. So E. So in E, and I want people on TikTok and on YouTube to like drop your answer below. So we have to factorize 6x squared plus 9x. So I'm gonna give all you 1 minute. Drop your answer below. People on TikTok and YouTube, drop your answers. So let me know, guys. I want you all to factorize 6x squared plus 9x. Drop your answer below. Check Virginia now. 3x by 2x plus 3, Mr. Mark vibes.
Oh my god, I thought you wouldn't just see that.
Guys, let me know if you're getting through. 6x squared plus 9x. Mr. Fax, you were almost correct. I think you leave out an x. All right, so let me answer the question now. So, Romano,
Hi.
you see in x squared, right? What does x squared actually mean?
X by X.
So, like, over here, I have 6 by x by x. So, like, how much x's do both of them have in common?
1.
Both of them have 1 x in common.
No, 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 no. Stop it.
Both of them have 1 x in common. All right? And so I know I'm going to pull out x for sure. Why? Because both of them have an x in common, right? The next question I'm going to ask you, what is a factor of 6 and 9? What could go into both 6 and 9?
3.
3. So we're going to pull out 3 as well. So tell me, Romano, if I pull out 3x, what would I have to multiply to get back 6x squared?
2x.
Right? Because 3 by 2 is 6, and x by x would give me back x squared. Cool. What would I have to multiply by 3x to get back 9x?
3.
Right? So I'll put plus 3 over here. People on TikTok and YouTube, if you understand, give me some W's in the chat. And when you follow cooking. All right, so let's look at F now. So F, we have 3ab plus 6a. By the way, guys, you know what would be crazy? If I go live every day till school open, that would be insane.
Yeah, awesome.
That would be crazy. I feel like I could do that, you know. All right. So let's do F now. So guys, let's look at the numbers first. What does 3 and 6 have in common?
3.
3. And what do A, B, and A have in common?
A.
A. So I can pull out 3A. So what would I have to
3A.
multiply by 3A to get back 3AB?
B.
I would have to put B here, right? Because 3A by B is 3AB. Good. What would I have to multiply by 3A to get back 6A?
2,
Right.
3,
Let me know if you guys understand that. People on TikTok, people on YouTube.
by
And so, guys, if we expand this, what would we get? Tell me, if we expand that, what would we get?
3AB
The original
plus
expression.
6A.
Exactly. You're going to get the original thing. So 3A by B, that's 3AB, and 3A by 2, that's 6A. You get 3AB plus 6A, which is the original thing. And that's how you check if you're correct. Thank you, Kavish. Yes, I am the goat. I have the the goatee kind of thing, you know? Yeah.
So I have a
Right.
question.
Talk to me.
Would that be an expression or equation? Because it has the equal sign. Like,
This is our expression. You're not
okay.
solving for anything.
Okay. So equation is when you're solving for something.
Actually, you know what? It technically is an equation, right? Because this and this are equivalent. They're the same thing. They're equal.
Oh,
It's
okay.
it's an equation. Yeah, I would call it an equation.
Okay,
Right?
thank
So
you.
let's do G. So I want you guys to take some time and attempt this. So we're gonna step things up now. So we have 2 pi r plus 2 pi h. So guys, I want you all to factorize that and drop your answer below. Romano, if only questions like this could have come for CSEC, boy.
Well, for sure when I begin, I want. Where was the circle here?
Yeah, like why no circle
What?
theorem come? I gotta prepare for that.
On one question, circle theorem come for paper one.
Wait, sir,
I
did you
see.
say that they released the CSEC Jan exams timetable?
Yeah, they did. I saw they released that.
That's
All
crazy.
all the paper one exams are online, and all the exams is like hybrid, which I think is BS. Why you can't just give people paper and pen, boy? Why people guys write on paper?
And so I write in CSEC next year. So like, are they gonna do that to us as well? Or like,
No, like if you're writing in June, you'll write on paper.
okay, good. Okay.
Yeah. That hybrid
But
thing you're all do this.
I was probably going to do Jan exams for maths. So
Well, it is a hybrid approach there.
oops.
All right, Renisha, see you have your hand raised. Talk to me.
Yes, sir. I already had the answer already.
That's Renisha, I see you wanting to
I'm
talk, but yeah.
feeling good about
But yeah.
it too.
Renisha internet real
Is
real
all
low
good.
boy.
Oh
Renisha internet
Lord.
real bad.
I'm sorry.
What
sorry.
kind of Wi-Fi
But
you
I was
have?
saying, let's not
Wait,
speak about that to kind of
wait, go
Wi-Fi.
ahead. Talk.
All right, so I'm gonna put on the answer here.
All you hear me now?
It real bad, like a real sticking. Real sticking.
Oh Lord, Father Abraham. I really want answer. Oh my gosh.
Every time
Hear me
Renisha
now?
freeze,
Oh no.
every time Renisha freeze is like sticker material.
Nothing?
Oh my. Nah, real struggling to hear
That
Renisha.
anyway.
All right, we had to move on, right? We had to move on.
Anyway, it's
Every time
fine.
Renisha
It's
freeze
okay.
is like a
When
all right. We had to move on, right? I'm sorry, Renisha, but your Wi-Fi real giving trouble. All right. Nila, what are you seeing in common between these two terms?
2 pi.
You're seeing 2 pi. So if both of them have 2 pi in it, we could pull out 2 pi. And so what would I write in brackets?
R plus H.
Everybody agree with that?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. Let's do H now. So H is 4x squared,
so that
4x
is
squared y.
exactly what I was gonna say.
That's good. But your internet giving real trouble and it kinda delaying. Yeah, it real sticking.
Well, technically, there's not my internet. I'm borrowing internet from somebody, but
That
still.
is probably why it is that is probably why it giving trouble
No,
now.
no, it makes sense.
It
You know
makes sense.
my internet. You know my internet don't stick like that. My internet never hear me like that.
Only it had this one meme where it's like when I change the Wi-Fi password and suddenly there's a bunch of people I never saw before in my house. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, so let's do H now. So guys, let's look at the number first. The numbers first. So 4 and 8. What's our common factor between 4 and 8?
4 itself.
4. So we could pull out 4.
For itself.
Now, guys, you have to be very careful about this. Over here, you're seeing x squared. So x squared means you have how much x is there.
2.
And how much
Two.
x's you have here.
Just 1.
Right. So how much x's do both of them have in common then?
Just 1x.
Just one x, right? Because if you have two x's over here and you only have one x over here, then both of them only have one x in common. Romano, Nikolai.
Stop
Ah,
it.
right, so I'm going to pull out that 1x. The next thing I'm going to look at, over here we have y, and over here we have y squared. Over here you have 1y, and over here you have like 2y. So how much y's do both of them have in common?
1y.
So I'm going to pull out 4xy. So if I pull out 4xy, what would I multiply by this to get back 4x squared y?
X.
Right? I would put x here. Good. Because x by x would give me back 4x squared y. Good. I'm going to put back the minus sign. What would I multiply by 4 to get back 8?
2.
Right? So I'll put the 2 there. And what would I multiply by xy to get back xy squared?
Y.
Right, y. Because I already have y, you know. So to get y squared, I'd say y by y to get back that. So I'll say x minus 2y.
No, sir, before you do that, you're supposed to ask, 4x's, why Nikolai? Why the leave Nikolai? You get?
What?
Look at the number after the cosine. You have to ask 4 Nikolai x's, why he leave.
I don't get it.
4xy. Ask 4 of Nikolai x is why. What you get?
Now I
Romano, don't study
What
for that,
you
Romano.
what
Don't
you
study for that. All right, so people on TikTok, on YouTube, let me know if you guys were able to get age correct. Let me know if you
So,
guys got age correct.
so I could just go by the path where you get the 2, please.
All right, so Joshimar, let's run through the whole thing again. Make sure you understand that. So Joshimar, the first thing we're gonna look at is 4 and 8. What is a number that could go into both 4 and 8?
4,
4, so we're gonna pull out 4. Over here, right? How much? Okay, you have x squared. X squared means you have x by x, right?
yeah,
So it come like you have two x's. And over here, how much x's you have?
1,
Right? So how much x's do both of them have in common then?
1,
They only have one x in common, right? So if I pull out an x, and let's look at the y now. Over here we have y, and over here we have y squared. How much y terms do they have in common?
just 1,
Right? So 4xy. So here what we're gonna do now, right, Joshua? What would I multiply by 4xy to get back 4x squared y?
X,
Exactly, because you already have an x. So they get x squared, you multiply by another x. I'm gonna put back the minus sign. Here what I'm saying, right, Joshua? What would I multiply by 4 to get back 8xy squared?
oh, 2, 2y.
Exactly, 2y. You good?
Oh, yes, sir.
Are you good with that?
Yes, sir.
Nice. So we're gonna move on now. Here, let me look at some more complicated examples now. Let's look at this example. So who wants to help me with this one?
So I don't mind. So
All right, so Virginia, the first thing we're going to look at is the numbers. We had 25 and 10. What could go into both 25 and 10?
I would say 5.
All right, 5. Cool. 5. And here what we're going to do now, right? Let's look at the variables. Over here, how much z terms we have? We have z cubed. That means z by z by z. So how much z terms you have?
We have 3 z terms.
Right? Over here, how much z terms you have?
Only one.
So how much z terms do both of them have in common?
Just one in common.
Right? So I'll pull out our z. Over here, how much y's we have?
1y.
How much y's we have over here?
1y as well.
So I'm going to pull out our y. Do both of them have an x in common?
Nah.
Let me know, guys. The other people in the Zoom it do only have Virginia. Are you all seeing that both of them have an x in common?
Yeah.
Joshimar, do you see an x here?
No, sir.
No. So do both of them have an x?
Nah, just one.
Exactly. So can I pull out that then? If only one of them have x, do both of them have it in common?
No.
No, so I can't pull out x. You understand?
Yeah.
I have a question for you, right, Joshima? If your partner take your girl, what happen? You still gonna be friends with him or?
No, I'll beat them up.
Oh. All right. Ramana, does that mean you beat up Nikolai? Oh. You know, when I see Nikolai, he really had like a bruise on his face, like a blue black mark. Yeah. Looks like Romano gave him the yeah. After that, after they beaten, Romano had to ask Nikolai, Annie, are you okay? You know? Yeah. All right, let me continue. So, Josh, you understand how we pull out 5zy?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
All right, so here's my question. We need to get back 25. So what would I multiply by 5 to get back 25?
Um,
What by 5 is 25?
5, sir. Yeah, my bad.
Right? 5. And then we have z already, but we want to get z cubed. Well, how to multiply by z to get z cubed?
Z squared.
Yeah. And what would I multiply by? Well, I already have the y, right? The only thing I'm missing is the x. So I gotta put what here?
X.
Right? And let's move on. I'm gonna put back the minus sign. And what would I multiply by 5 to get 10?
2, sir.
2. All right, so Sophia, you made a small mistake. So Sophia, you said 5z squared x minus 5. But that wouldn't make sense because if you say 5 here, 5 by 5 would give you 25, not 10. So it's really supposed to be 2 because 5 by 2 would give you back 10. All right, so Josh, let me know if you understand that.
Yes, sir.
Will I put anything over here or do we already have the zy?
We already had the ZY, so we just leave it just so.
Cool. Let's look at an even harder one. All right. Talk to me. Josh, you think you could factorize that one?
No, sir, I don't know what I'm looking at.
Josh, why would I negativity, boy?
Sir, because they put a set out all kind of thing there.
But that easy, boy. That easy. Josh, let me ask you a
Uh-huh.
question. You had any problems with this?
Nah, it was normal.
Well, okay. Well, I want you to go in with that same mindset here. So say it for me, that real normal, right?
Yes, sir, okay, that's normal.
Sophia, Dove, Junior, Matt, it's really not that hard. Let's stay with me, right? Stay with me. I'll show you how easy this is. It's real easy. So here what? Josh, the first question I'm going to ask you. What does 18, 36, and 6 have in common? What they have in
6?
common? There are 6. That was hard.
No, not really.
That wasn't hard, right? Now let's look at the letters. So over here we have x cubed, right? Meaning now we have how much x is there?
X, sir,
You have x cubed, right? How much x's you have there? If it's x cubed,
3.
you have
3x,
3. Okay, how much x's you have here?
2.
And how much you have any x's over here?
Nah, none.
Nah. So talk to my guys. Let me know people on TikTok, on Zoom, on YouTube. Talk to me. You have an x here, you have an x here, but you don't have an x here. Do all of them have x in common? Tell me, Josh, do all of them have an x in common?
No, sir, just the first 2.
So can I pull out x then?
Yeah. No, 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 no. My bad.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Right? You can't pull it out, right? Josh, if all of them don't have something in common, then you can't pull it out, right? So I have x here, I have an x here, but I don't have an x here. You can't pull out x. Understand?
Yes, I understand.
Now move on to z now. Over here, how much z's you have?
4,
All right. How much z's you have over here?
2.
I,
No,
I,
wait,
I, I
my
just see
bad.
in z. I just see in z.
1.
Right? How much z's you have here?
Just 1.
So how much z's do all of them have in common?
1.
Exactly. So you can pull out z. I'm gonna go through that again, right? Over here, I have z to the power 4, which means z by z by z by z by z, and four z's, right? Over here, I have 1z, and over here, I have 1z. All of them have 1z in common. So I'm gonna pull out z, right? You with me so far?
Yes, sir.
Let's look at the other letter. We have alpha here. Okay, we have 1 alpha. You seen any alpha over here?
No,
Can I pull out alpha then?
no.
No. Let's look at t now. Over here, we have 1t. How much t's we have over here?
3,
Right? We have 1 here. We have 3 here. How much t's we have here?
2.
How much t's do all of them have in common?
Just 1.
Just 1, right? Because you have t over here, right? You have t over here. You have t cubed here. That t by t by t. And over here you have t squared, that t by t. But if you notice, all of them only have 1 t in common. So if all of them have 1 t in common, what I could pull out?
DT?
I could pull out the t, right? You understand how I pull out everything I have to pull out?
Yes, sir.
Cool. So people on TikTok, people on YouTube, let me know if you understand how I pull out the 6ZT. Let me know if you understand that. Sophia, was it that hard? Pulling out the greatest common factor, let me know. Let me know if you get through. Right? So one more time, Joshima, let's go through the real fast. So 18, 36, and 6. We're going to all of them.
6.
Cool. Pull out 6. I see 4 Z's over here. I see 1 Z over here, and I see 1 Z over here. How much Z's do all of them have in common?
Just 1.
1. So you're gonna pull out 1 Z. You understand?
Yeah.
Cool. Um, only only 2 of them have alpha in it. If 2 of them have alpha in it, can I pull out alpha from all?
No, we can't.
No, you can't. You can only pull out something if you've seen it everywhere. So you can't pull out alpha, right? Over here, I see 3 X's. I see 2 X's here. You seen any X's over here?
No, sir.
No. So you cannot pull out X. Let me know if you understand.
Yes, I understand.
Good. Elizabeth, alpha is just a Greek letter. That's all. Alpha is a Greek letter. You can use it to represent an unknown. So the same way how you have Z, T, X, whatever, it come like do like type, yeah. It come like pi, right? Actually, Julia, you gotta be careful, right? Pi actually means something. Alpha is just a Greek, it's just a Greek letter. I mean, pi is a Greek letter too, but alpha doesn't really stand for anything. It's just a unknown, right? So guys, don't let it confuse you, right? Alpha, come like Z, come like X, come like T. It's just a Greek letter. That's all. Don't let it confuse you. Don't let it confuse you. Just a Greek letter. All right. So what we're gonna do now, Josh, we're gonna open up the brackets. So this real simple, Josh, real simple. What would I multiply by 6 to get 18?
3.
All right, I'm gonna put 3 here. What would I multiply? Okay, so here what, right? We want to get back x cubed, z to the power 4, alpha t, right?
Yes, sir.
So far, I have z by t. So what should I put here? I had to get x to the power 3. What should I put here?
X cubed.
I should put x cubed here. We move on to z to the power 4. So we had to get z to the power 4. I pulled out one z though. So what should I put here? Z to what power?
X cubed. I mean Z cubed.
Z cube, yes. And did we cater for any alpha here?
No, so we had to put in alpha.
We had to put in alpha, right? We catered for the t. So do I have to put a t?
No, sir.
No. You understand that so far?
Yeah.
Sophia, Elizabeth, people on TikTok, let me know if you understand that so far. So like, look at it again. I have Z and I have T, right? Cool. Here's how we're doing this. How would we multiply 6ZT to get back this whole thing over here? That's what I'm saying. So to get back 18, you'd have to multiply 6 by 3. So I put 3 on the inside. Here's my question. You don't have any x cubes here, right? But you had to get x cube. So you have to put an x cube here, right? Notice that we have one z, but we had to get back z to the power 4. If you already have a z, then you're going to put z to the power 3 because you already have a z on the outside. We didn't account for any alpha, so we need to put back an alpha here. If you realize we already have a t, so there's no need for me to put a t here, right? So I hope you guys understand that already. Oh, you guys understand that so far. Let's move on. So Joshua, I'm going to put back the negative sign, and I'm going to ask you, 6 by what would give it 36? Tell me, Josh, 6 by what would give me 36? Josh, I'm not hearing you. It's a good time to talk. Wait, I think Josh Wi-Fi playing up.
Yes, sir. I think mine's too. But good afternoon. Good night, sir.
Hey, good night, good night. Look here, look Romano, look
Say
yeah,
him
so
now.
Josh. Yeah, hearing you now. So Josh, 6 by what would give me 36?
6.
Right, so I'm gonna put minus 6 here. Okay. We want to get t cube, right? We have to get t cube.
Yes, sir, but we already have a T.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put here.
T squared.
Yeah. We had to get x squared. Do I have any x
But we
squared
don't.
here?
No, sir, so we had to put back X squared.
I had to put back the x squared. Z. Do we have a z here?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Do I need to put a z then?
No.
No. Last one. What would I have to multiply by 6 to get 6?
Not 1.
1. So we could ignore that for now, right? Cool. I
Yeah.
already have the 6. We already have the 6. I got put a plus here. We already have the 6, so I'm not gonna put anything there, right? Do we have any alpha? Did we cater for any alpha?
No, sir, so we had to put back the alpha.
We had to put back the alpha. We have t squared. We had to get back t squared, right? Notice we already have a t. So what to put?
We just had to put T alone.
Just had to put t alone. And You see that Z here? Did we already account for the Z?
Yes, sir.
So am I gonna put a Z here?
No. We're just gonna
No, so
close off it now.
that is it. Tell me, was it that hard?
Absolute cinema.
I tell you that I was looking hard enough, but that was like that was easy.
If you know, absolute potatoes.
Ah, yes, yes, that is big potato stuff.
Big potatoes.
It only looked complicated, you know. It only looked complicated, but it wasn't that hard. Let me do our next one like this to make sure we have it locked in. All right? Make sure we have it locked in. So, um, all right, so Joshima, let's tackle this, right? It's only look
Yes, sir.
again, Joshima, it's looking complicated, right? It's looking very complicated, but it's not complicated. Get our mindset, right? It don't have to be hard. It's looking hard, but it's not hard, right?
Okay, so
So
very easy then.
very easy. What is the greatest common factor between 4, 16, and 12? Okay, go into 4,
4,
16, and 12. 4.
4.
Cool. Pull out 4 one time. Let me look at the Y's. Over here, how much Y's you have?
Yeah, 3Y.
Over here, how much Y's you have?
2,
Over here, how much Y's you have?
3.
How much Y's you have? How much Y's do all of them have in common?
Just 1.
Just one. Let me look at it a bit more carefully, right? We have 3 Y's here. Y by Y by Y. Over here we have Y by Y. And over here we have Y by Y by Y. How much Y's do all of them have in common?
2.
Yes. Watch. You see that?
Yes, sir.
People on TikTok, let me know if I understand that. All of them have 2 Y's in common. It's kind of hard to see, but when I write it like that, you go see it, right? Cool. So, Joshima, if that's the case, we have to pull out Y to what power?
Squared.
Right? Let's move on to phi now. This is phi. This is another Greek letter. We have phi to the power 7 here, so we have 7. How much phi's we have here?
6,
How much phi's we have here?
7.
So, how much phi's do all of them have in common?
1. No.
No, 1. So,
Um,
Joshua, no, you can figure this out. I know you can figure this out.
so we
You
have
listen.
6.
6. Yes, we have 6 in common. Yes. Because over here we have 7. So yeah, you got 6 and another one. Over here 6. Over here have 6 plus another one. So all of them have 6 in common. Yeah, you dig?
Yes, sir.
Right. So we're gonna pull out, 6, 7. Wait, sir.
It's a big 2026.
Sir, say where you just now said it. I'm
Right?
gonna say it again. But anyway,
Yeah.
you see
So
6,
Joshima,
7.
you're gonna pull out 5 to what power?
Just 6.
Cool. Let's look at Z now. Over here we have how much Z's?
2.
Over here, how much Z's we have?
Just 1.
How much Z's you have here?
1.
So how much Z's it have in common?
Just 1.
Just 1, right? Just 1. So I'm gonna put what here to the side.
Z.
Do I have any do I have X's and all?
No, sir. So you're not putting on.
And I'm gonna pull out then. So I'm gonna open my bracket and I'm gonna ask you this. Here what, right? We already have 4y, you see that? Well, we
Yes,
already
sir.
have 4. We already have 4. Good. We need to get back y to the power 3. You have y squared. So we're going to put in the bracket.
Y alone.
I'm going to put y alone. Let's look at 5 now. We have 5 to the power 7 here. We have 5 to the power 6 here. So you got to multiply 5 what? You tell me. How much more 5s we need to make 7?
Just one more.
So I can put 5
So
here.
3. Yeah.
Let's look at where to get z squared, right? Over here we have a z already. So we're going to put in the bracket.
You put in Z? No.
Right. Yeah, because I had to get back z squared. I got to put z. Because Joshima,
Oh,
I already have a z here, no? I already have a z here. So how much more z's we going to need to make z
one
squared?
more?
One more, so I can put a z here. And we had to get x, right? Did we account for an x here?
No, so we just put it back.
Cool, let's move on to this one now. What would I multiply by 4 to get 16?
3.
Nah, 4 by 3 is 12.
Oh, wait, my bad. 4.
4. What would I multiply? Okay, we had to get y squared, right? Do we already have y squared on the outside?
Yeah.
Do I need to write it back then?
No, we're leaving it out.
All right, we had to get 5 to the power 6. Do we have 5 to the power 6 on the outside already?
Yes, sir.
Am I going to put it back on the inside then?
Nah.
Okay, we need to get z. Do we already have z?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So I'm not going to put it back then. So that's just 4 over here.
No. Yeah, so we could close the bracket.
No, if you're getting this
Oh.
term here.
Oh, shit.
Hey, language.
My bad. My bad.
All right. So what would I multiply by 4 to get 12?
3. 3, sir.
3, right? Now we have to get y cubed, right? But we have y squared on the outside. So we're going to need to get our y cubed.
We had a power Y.
Yeah, the power y. Yeah. And we need to get 5 to the power 7. We have 5 to the power 6 here. So
So we just put it back. Put in 1.
we put in 5, right?
Yeah.
By the way, guys, if you just write 5, that's understood to be 5 to the power 1. So you don't have to put to the power 1, you can just put 5. Right? Right. Yeah, Josh Shimari, I get Z. Do we already have Z accounted for?
Yes, sir.
So am I gonna put Z on the inside?
No.
No. I had to get X. Do I have X?
No, sir. So we put in it.
Yeah. That is it. If you show your friend this or something, they go say that real hard, no, but I'm not really that hard. They go say,
So
wait.
it's normal.
Yeah. So this is a piece of advice to you guys. Maths will look complicated, but it really isn't complicated. It really big up yourself, Elizabeth. W's in the chat for Elizabeth. Right? Yeah. So let me do another one now. I still don't feel as confident as I'd like. Let's try 7 y to the power 3 z 2 plus 14 y to the power 7 z to the power 9. So I stepping back. I taking back. I'm making it a bit simpler, right? So Joshima, what does 7 and 14 have in common?
7.
Pull out 7 one time. Now let's look at the y's. We have y cube here. So we have 3 y's, and how much y's we have here?
7.
How much y's do both of them have in common?
3.
Yes, because 7 is the same thing as 3 plus 4. So both of them have 3 in common, right?
Yes, sir.
So I can pull out y to what power?
Y 4. No, 3.
Right? Let's look at these z's now. Over here, how much z's we have?
2.
How much z's we have here?
9.
So how much z's it have in common?
2.
2. So I can pull out what?
Y squared.
I think it means Z squared.
Oh, my bad, Z squared. Sorry.
Yeah, that's okay. So cool. So let's see what we need to put on the inside now. So we already have 7, you know. We already have 7.
So we're not playing
We
that.
already have y cube. Yeah, we already have y cube. Am I gonna put y cube? Am I
No,
gonna put
sir.
any y? I have z squared,
So we're not gonna put that.
right? Instead, you just gonna put 1. You
Oh,
know
I
why I
didn't
say
know
that?
that. Because we have nothing to put in, so we just put in like as a placeholder.
No, not as a placeholder. Remember, whatever you put here, it needs to multiply by this to give you back this. Let me ask you a question. If you had to get back 5, right? And you can multiply 5 by 1,
Yes, sir.
think about it. What's 5 by 1?
5.
So what do you think zy cubed z squared by 1 would be?
The same thing.
Yeah, the same thing. Don't like be complicated. You don't want to be complicated. 5 by 1 is 5. So zy cubed by z squared by 1 is just zy cubed by z squared. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that will be wrong, Sophia. Let me explain something again, guys. Whatever you put inside the bracket, it needs to multiply by the term on the outside to give you back the original thing. So when you multiply zy cubed z squared by 1, you get back this. All right? Let's move on. So 1 plus. So Joshima, what by 7 would give you 14?
2.
Right, 2. We need to get y to the power 7, but we have y to the power 3 on the outside. So what would I write on the inside?
We'll put Y4.
Y to the power 4. So the correct thing. We have z to the power 9 here. We need to get our back. We need to get our back, right? RZ squared here. What to do?
We have to put Z to the power 7.
That's it. Easy. Easy like that. Let me give all you. This is the last one we're going to do, right? Our people on TikTok and YouTube to let me know what they get. I wanted to try it. So, um, thinking. Uh, that's L, eh? This is a L. 10L to the power 7, K to the power 3, M minus 25, L to the power 6, K to the power 2M. I want you all to try that for me. So drop your answer below. I think you all can get this right. So Joshima, Nikolai, Virginia, Romano, Renisha, Shiloh, Nia, Andelina, Jenna, Ishana, you want to do some maths? Mrs. Math Vibes, you want to do some maths?
No.
No?
No.
Say hello to the children.
Hi. It's
Good night, good
me.
night.
Hi.
Oh, you know who that is, right?
Yes, sir, we know.
That is Mrs. Math Vibes. Yeah.
So just know me and Mrs. Malphite's up to a little scheme, and you'll be seeing it in the
What?
group chat soon.
Wait, what?
Me and Mrs. Math Vibes up to a scheme, and you'll be seeing it in the group chat soon.
What scheme are they up to, boy? Address all yes?
You want a hint?
Yeah, sure.
It might be a little floral.
A little thorough.
Yeah, a little floral.
Yeah, a little.
Well, I'll wait to be surprised.
So excited for that.
All right, guys, check it out. Check it out. 91 followers from this one live. I can't beat yesterday.
What?
Yesterday was 300. Yesterday was 300. I feel like it's because today we just do hard maths. Most of it we just do hard maths.
Yeah, that's probably why.
And nobody is really do hard maths.
So that's okay because I learned something. So
Look, Tivon. Look at this. Look, Tivon messaged me and he said, LMAO, brother man getting schemed. Let me send you link with Tivon so he could join. I know okay, so I got to correct the question, all right? So what? Somebody say Rajiv baby? What? What? Are your head shaking or what? Are your head must be shaking. Me know what Rajiv baby are you talking about? It's crazy, bro. It's crazy, man. And it's a man too. Hey, I even know this. Yeah. Anyways, life must continue. So, Aaron, we go see if your answer correct. So Joshima, you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, so Joshima, what do you have in common between 10 and 25?
5.
5. Hey, I think it's time for Froggy. I think it's time for Froggy.
Yes, sir. Bring out Froggy, man.
Time.
Somebody calling me. I don't know why they calling me. It's in our class. Kind of calling again. What? I will have to temporarily block the number. That's crazy. People have to understand. I'm a busy man, you know. Like I a busy man. Yeah. I block the person. When I finish class, I go and block the person and talk to them. But we standing on business right now. Yeah. Let me get Froggy. W's in the chat for Froggy, guys. W's in the chat for Froggy. You know when Froggy come out, it's serious time. You know how like them ninjas go like tie their headband and they be like ready to fight? It's me ready to fight.
Yes, sir. You're locking in.
Locking in. Yeah. Or I just covering my forehead. I don't know which one.
Locking in, locking in.
Yes, sir. Locking in.
All right, let me go. So Joshima, we have 5. 5 is a common factor of 10 and 25. Right? So
Yes, sir.
Joshima, now we're gonna look at L. Over here, how much L's we have?
7.
How much L's we have here?
6.
Oh. Anyways, again, I
Really,
message.
sir? Really, sir?
So Joshima, how much L's do both of them have in common?
6.
6. I gone write L to the power what here?
6.
Cool. Let's look at K now. How much K's do both
We
of them
have
have in common?
2. Yeah, 2.
2. So I gonna write K squared here. And how much M's do both of them have in common?
Just 1.
That is it. Open bracket. What by 5 would give me 10?
2.
Right? We had to get L to the power 7, right? We have L to the power 6 here. What to do?
Just put L.
Just put L. Okay. We have to get K to the power 3. Right now we have K squared. So what would I multiply to get back the K cube?
K.
K. You're getting good at this, boy. I wonder who is the teacher, boy. I wonder
I
who
want
is the
that too,
teacher.
sir.
Ah. right? We had to get back m, right? If you notice, we already have m. So am I going to write back m on the inside?
No, sir, we're not gonna write it back.
Nah. Then gonna move on to the other one. Put back the minus sign on. Tell me 5 by what will give you 25,
5.
right? I had to get back L to the power 6, but I already have L to the power 6. Am I going to put that?
No, sir.
No. I had to get back k squared, but I have k squared already. Am I going to put that back?
No, sir.
I have m. I need to get m.
No, sir. So we just
I close
closing
it.
bracket.
Bam. Just
W.
remind. Feeling like a factorization boss now.
I know, right?
Yeah, boy. Right? I enjoy making people realize how easy maths is. It just be complicated, over complicated. It's not all this is really easy. I tell you, if I was like a rich person and I had real money, I just teach for free every single day, you know. Yeah. I can't wait to be like that. Like one day I have so much money, I could just teach for free every day. I just love to teach though. I just love to teach. Joshua, what you feel like your calling in life is?
What do you mean by that, sir?
Like what is your calling in life? Like for me, my calling is teaching, I think. Like what you feel like you was put on your earth to do?
So honestly, see about animals.
That's a good one. Yeah. So like a veterinarian.
Yeah.
I see. That's a noble cause. Today
Yeah, I'm trying.
I was seeing German shepherds on my feed and like they're so cute when they're small.
That's my favorite type of dog, German
Like when this
Shepherd.
like they're so cute when they're small.
And it's hard to just be like this small. Like when you're like number 1 and 2, it's like this small, and then this grows like this big.
Look how cute. Look at that. I want one of that.
Yeah, if I get a dog, I spoil it. That's it. Like, yeah.
Corgi's
That's
kind of, yeah, Corgi's cute. I want to see the ugliest type of dog.
Pugs, just for me, I me
In my
personally,
opinion,
I find pugs ugly.
chihuahuas are the ugliest.
Ah, yes. What is this? What is this? You,
A chihuahua,
this,
sir.
what? Nah, boy. Hey, what is that?
Yeah, that probably was that pugs to be honest.
But sir, the only problem with
Bro,
German Shepherds, the only problem with German Shepherds is the wildness.
this reminds me of Nikolai for some reason. I looking at it, I feel it. I don't know. I'm joking with
That's
myself. I'm joking.
that's it. That can't remind that dog don't remind anything about me.
Sometimes, Nikolai, when you're staring off in the distance, your eyes just be like that. That's what I'm saying.
I just be
Well,
staring up into the distance.
like, I don't know, Nikolai, sometimes it could just be like this, and your eyes will be like that. That's sometimes.
NPC.
All right. So let me continue. All right, Elizabeth, take care. All right, so let me continue. People want to do one more. One more? Okay. Let me do
Going up to 5 o'clock in the morning, or
apparently I find the vibes good, like I low-key find the vibes going good. That's some nice vibes.
I
Yeah.
know that once the vibes kick in, you gone.
Yeah, boy. What? Romano, you never tell your father hello?
What? Oh, hi, it's everyone.
Hola, son. You alive?
Hi there.
You alive, man. He got some milk in him.
You see, once he sat down and all, he went back for him,
Oh yeah, sir. I see what Romano was talking about.
What is that?
How about this scheme?
Scheme is that? Hey, look, Mrs. Henry. Hello. Romano say that you wanted to meet me. Look, she walking away. She walking away.
She
Wait,
gone.
boy. Romano was so ugly one time, boy. Wait, boy. Make you wanna just walk away, yes?
Disappear.
Hey, boy. Like she cussing him there in the background.
Wait, no. Nah. It's my
It
father
remind
was
me of
cuss
this
you know.
joke. It remind me of this joke where my brother used to tell me. This magician want to play a magic trick. Is uno dos and he left without a trace. It's something to that, but I know, it look like him mother just do that.
That dark way.
So, people on TikTok, I want you all to try this and drop your answer below. After this question, we're calling it, we're gonna move on to a different type of factorization. Different type of factorization, right? So I'm
Different. Got it.
gonna give you all 1 minute. So by 11:04, I'm gonna correct it.
I was using naturally speedy way.
Savon, I tell you how like we got 300 followers in one live yesterday.
I see it.
It's crazy.
So I need you to take a little glimpse of the group chat there, the BM children group chat.
I scared.
Oh,
I scared.
no, I know you mean
What?
I
What?
I love Photoshop.
What the hell? Look what I make. Look what I do, ma. Look what I do.
Oi, shucks, boy.
So that is what I was talking about.
Boy,
I see
put
what
on
you're
your
gonna do.
face at one time. Don't stick.
All right, let me correct it, right? So I'm gonna let Neela do it with ma. So Neela, what do we have in common between 17 and 34?
So I would say 17.
Yeah. Let's look at the T's, I mean the N's. How much N's we have in common?
3.
Right? So I'll put N cube here. Let's look at T's now. How much T's we have in common? Do both of them have T's in it?
No, sir.
No, so I can't pull out T. Do both of them have a O?
2. Whole squared.
Right. O squared. So I already have the 17. I need to get N to the power 7, so I will put here.
And 3 power 4.
Right? And I need to get T cube, so I gotta put what here?
T cube.
And I had to get O to the power 4, so I have
Whole
O squared.
squared.
O
Yeah,
squared.
put back whole squared.
What next?
Minus 2.
I had to get back N cube, I already have N cube. I had to get back O squared, but I already have O squared. So I just leave it as
Which
that.
is 2 squared. Minus 2.
Right, so Josh, tell me again, correct.
Yes, sir.
Good. Jenna, you're real quiet now, Jenna. You all right? Shiloh, you're just here for vibes. Shiloh is one of my like new students, but he like real smart boy. Shiloh real smart. Shiloh, you just come to vibes.
No, sir.
You good?
Yeah.
Nice, nice, nice. Glad to hear that. The stuff I'm doing right now is like baby stuff. I'm doing baby stuff right now. Yeah, I have no doubt that you okay with all of this, but you know what is good to get see what I'm looking for like what was we looking for, wait. It's good to get like go over it now. You know, I can't find the word. All right, so Joshima, let's move on to factorizing by grouping. Okay, so Joshima, ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, so you typically Anytime you see 4 terms, you typically do factorizing by grouping when you have 4 terms, right?
Yeah.
All right. So how much terms we have here?
4.
We have 4 terms, right? We have 4 terms. And so here we're going to do, right? You know where's the Great Wall of China?
Think so? I hear about it before.
You know where the border?
Yes, sir.
We're going to put the border here in the middle. Right? So we put on the border in the middle. Cool. Pull out Trump here. I do not support him. Just an analogy. So yeah. So Josh, you split it in the middle and you factorize each side. So what are you seeing in common over here?
A.
So you pull out the A. And so what would you write inside?
X plus Y.
Now here, I'm gonna show you this real goated trick, right? When you're doing factorizing by grouping, when you factorize the other one, you're supposed to get the same thing in the brackets. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put back X plus Y here. And let them ask that question, right? Josh, what would I put on the outside here so that when it multiplies by X, I'll get back BX?
B.
I'll put B, positive B, right?
Yes, sir.
And where's B by X?
BX.
What's B by Y?
BY.
Right, so we good. So I'm gonna ask that question. Are you seeing anything in common between this and this?
Yes, sir. The X plus Y.
Yeah, both of them have X plus Y in common, so we could factor that out. So if I pull that out, what do I write on the inside?
A plus B.
That is it. That's it. Look at that. Look at that. W's in the chat for Josh. W's in the chat for Josh. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
boy.
And you know, when my teacher was teaching this in school, she did not learn it like this.
I don't know how to teach it, but none of this had to be hard. All of this easy. All right. Let me try another one. XY plus 2x plus 3y plus x. You're gonna put the Great Wall of China in the middle. Right? So, and they're gonna factorize each half.
I see how
So
you drawing that wall on carefully and break down.
it looking like a sketchy wall, eh?
It's a very sketchy wall. I don't trust your contractors on a boy.
The funny thing is my grandfather was a real good contractor. My uncle is a good
And you
contractor.
building walls like that?
Yeah. Telling you, I didn't get that gene, boy. All right. So Joshima, you split it in the middle and you factorize each half. What you seeing in common between these two?
X.
I pull out the x. And what would I write if I pull out the x?
Y plus 2.
Cool. And you know, if you do it correctly, you gotta get back y plus 2 here.
Yes, sir.
So let me ask that question. We gotta get back 3y plus 6, right? What you feel like I'm gonna put here to multiply by y to give me back 3y?
3.
And to verify it, multiply 3 by 2. Where's 3 by 2?
6.
Bam. What you seeing in common?
Y plus 2.
Y plus 2 and y plus 2. So if I pull out y plus 2 and y plus, if I pull out y plus 2, I'll put,
X plus 3.
that is it. So let me give all I want to try. Think all ready. 2a plus 2b plus ax plus bx. So I want you all to try C. What am I going to? I don't know, I find that the vibes real good tonight. Even though I don't have, I don't have the amount of viewers as I'd like, the vibes going good. I might finish 12 o'clock because I have a class to teach in the morning.
Hello.
Renisha, you're real breaking up.
Renisha talking from your back rooms, boy. Cheese and bread.
Please tell me him.
You're
I don't want
real
to
breaking
be
up.
friendless. Jesus Christ, no matter where I go. Excuse me.
Feeling bad for poor Nisha, yes? She just want to come and learn some maths and she Wi-Fi just playing up in it here.
Yeah, boy, that's the back room's Wi-Fi just pulling up.
Yeah, boy. I surprised the back rooms even have Wi-Fi.
Boy, a man adjusting the back rooms, boy. I don't know who them plan for put down there.
Mm.
No, but sir, every time you say split in the middle, you know that
Oh
sausage
no.
meat.
Boy.
Oh no.
It
Hey,
just keeps,
hey,
as
hey,
soon as he said that, I was like,
hey.
this
Hello,
video.
hello,
I don't
hello.
want to
All
know
you
her
hear me?
video.
Why? The Wi-Fi come back. The Wi-Fi good. The Wi-Fi good.
Yeah, amen, amen. It's my data working. Woo!
Oh, let's see
Hey,
Renisha right now.
she
I'm
happy,
so
boy.
happy.
Like
No
two in
longer
the last
trying to do
three.
a maths question. The devil always busy. Get behind me, Satan.
Mm.
Hey,
So let
two
me
in the
lock in,
last
right?
three, boy. The Wi-Fi kick back.
Let me lock in. Let me lock in, right? So Renisha, let's look at this one.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So Renisha, anytime you have four terms, you do something called factorization by grouping. So
Yes,
the first
yes, I
thing
remember that.
you split it in the middle.
Mhm.
No sing no song, Renisha. Do not
I
sing
ain't
no song.
saying nothing. I learned from the last time, sir. Scott's honor, swear to God. No
Right?
funny business here.
You seen anything in common between 2A and 2B?
Two.
I pull out two, what go right on the inside then.
AB. Well, A plus B.
And if you do this correctly, you're supposed to get A plus B here as well. But let me show you a trick, right?
Exactly.
I had to get
Mm-hmm.
AX. So I go multiply, I go put on the outside here to get back
X.
A. All right,
X.
Renisha, bad
Drop the
boy.
mic. Just like that. I
So
tell you, I'm bad like that.
what would I pull out from both of them then?
What you will pull out from both of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do both of them have in
We
common
had to
now?
make two buckets. Okay, so you will put 2 plus X in one, and the other one will be A plus B.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, Renisha, I see it. Right, so long story short, both of them have A plus B. So you pull out the A plus B. If you pull out A plus B, then 2 plus X. Bam. Easy. Easy.
Yes, sir.
Peasy.
Sir, I remember that. I study all that and CSEC, mash my boy.
Hmm.
But I will come back for them. I I just like what's the word I'm looking for? Um, I just like Jesus. I will always come back.
The
Sir,
resurrection. Yeah?
Yes, resurrection.
sir, I just want to say something, right?
What's that?
As I just had to say something now, sir. You know the past how we just be grinding and everything I was weak and we just make with jokes and stuff.
Yeah.
You know how we were saying how Renisha just have that laugh of our old lady?
Yes, yes, yes,
We're
yes.
bringing back that vibes once again. It's good to be back in this
Whatever,
class. It's good to be back in
whatever.
this class.
I know you all love me for just the way I am, and I do business. Ooh, all you go get fed up of me, but I don't business. I come here to learn, and I'm glad that I pick up the concept of this factorization. Mm-hmm.
I am happy to. Yeah.
Amen for that. Amen for that.
All right. So let me give a little harder example, right? Wait, a baby on it too much. Too much. X squared plus XY.
No, drop the Einstein panel, please. I beg. I beg.
Nah, this easy. Handle that, see. Handle that. I see Junior says, so would you get it wrong if you put 2 plus X by A plus B? That's a brilliant question you asked, Junior. Guys, If you had 2 plus x by a plus b, would that be wrong or would that also be correct?
It doesn't matter. It's the same
It
thing,
don't
you know.
matter. It's
You
the
could
same thing.
put whichever one you want first, it's still correct. So,
It's still
Junior, that
correct,
is the question. That is the answer to the question.
right? Because Junior, multiplication is commutative. Let me explain, right, Junior? Junior, I'm not sure if you're still here, right? But Junior, what's 5 by 7? Tell me, Junior, what's 5 by 7? Junior, what's 5 by 7? Junior? I hear Junior, boy. Oh, by the way, yeah, Nicholas, are using good notes. Yeah, using good notes. Right? But 5 by 7 is 35, right? What do you think 7 by 5 is? What do you all think 7 by 5 is? 35.
Yeah,
Did the
so
order,
many people are
guys, did
living
the
in
order
truth.
matter? Did the order matter? I get the same answer, right? The order didn't matter. So if you have a plus b multiplied by 2 plus x, that is the same thing as 2 plus x multiplied by a plus b. The order don't matter. I had to explain that. Multiplication is commutative. The order doesn't matter. Right? Remember that, guys? Right. So Alejandro, let's see. I want you to try this question. Try question E for me. I'm going to give you all 2 minutes. So by 11:20, you should have some answers. The neighbor, that looking correct. Virginia, that looking correct. Guys, I find like we don't have it. I find like we hardly have any viewers, but I wonder why that is why.
So
Why?
I had to go.
Oy,
Ah,
boy. All
That
right,
was
all right.
quick, boy. Well,
my
later
mother
day,
say
Romano.
I was on the computer a whole day, so
So
Well.
your mother was cussing
It's
in the
for
background there.
no,
Shame on you, Romano. Shame on
no,
you.
but it was
no,
for
no, no.
maths. It's for maths. You have a good reason.
Um,
Hey, I gonna miss this class when I go off to college, and I swear.
Yeah, boy. I
I
was
No, but
still
it's
got I still got me joining this class.
But I still gonna join it when I'm not doing hard work.
well, it's part of the Max Vibes family, so all always here with me. You
Of
know,
course, I
appreciating.
will come your class and custody class. Most important.
Right, right. I can't forget Cassidy. I find Cassidy, coming to class and thing, guys. I had to talk to
Just
Cassidy.
be tired, sir. You know, she does be tired.
Yeah,
Well,
but
she said she was tired, but I don't know what happened today. But yesterday she said she was tired.
yeah. And long time I hear about Kilani, boy. What's a Kilani?
He messaged me the other day.
Somebody
Long
could
time.
ask him if it
It's on my
disappear on the face of
status.
the earth. Because how after C-sec you just disappear out of nowhere. Where you going?
You man
Ki-
hiding in your back rooms. You man waiting
hey,
for C-Sec results come out, boy.
Alright, I
Tivon.
go on.
All right,
Later
later.
day,
How about
Romano.
tonight?
Later.
Boy, Tivon, Kilani wasn't St. Vincent,
Boy. Yeah, you tell me about that. Been somewhere Leeward. I don't know that
Yeah.
side.
All right, so let me answer the question. Angelina, is still here?
Yes, sir.
Look, she alive. Okay. So Angelina, we gone. What's the first step? What's the first step?
See what come on.
Wait, eh? Um, I would advise you to
Oh, is
split,
it? Yeah,
Great,
forget it.
Great
split
Wall
it
of
in the
China.
middle.
Yeah.
Great,
Great
boy,
Wall of China.
separate the midsection, boy. Separate the midsection. Separate from the midsection, boy.
Right?
You
So,
forget, sir, say you had to split it in the middle first. You see, I never sing the song, eh? I just say the word. All right.
right. So Angelina, you don't know the song we're talking about, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Oh, boy.
yeah. So Angelina, what does x squared and xy have in common?
X,
Right? If I pull out x, what will I write?
X, X plus Y.
And if you do it correctly, you're supposed to get x plus y here.
Yeah.
So we gotta put here to give you back xz.
Z.
Although I give it a little baby thing, boy. This is so easy.
Yes,
Although
sir,
hard.
it's easy.
So you know how much time you go over these particular questions. It's like it stick to my head. It's saying in my brain, you ain't going nowhere. Yeah.
Well, I feel like we can move on then. Like, I feel like we good. I feel like we good. Let's move on to the difference of two squares now. Difference of squares is give people trouble for some reason, but I don't find it that bad. So I'm gonna call back Joshima. Guys, I don't know. I really want 100 viewers enough. I don't know what we had to do. Like, I don't know.
Funny
Uh,
Zoom, funny TikTok,
no,
or funny YouTube.
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
TikTok.
Funny TikTok.
Yeah, boy.
YouTube
Yes.
kind of dead boy. I don't know like.
Any hardly anybody's be on YouTube.
See, I give
I
them a
don't be,
performance
bro.
soon.
YouTube is my most
Yes.
used platform, boy. Anyhow I
The
see you live,
most used
is
platform
YouTube. I
is
rush
TikTok right
respond.
now. Everybody on TikTok. If not TikTok, Instagram.
Yeah, but
I'm
sir, you
also
should do a
on YouTube.
performance.
A
How the place
performance.
entertained. Yeah,
What
think of
performance?
something. Think of
The
something
man
people
have
will be
plenty
attracted
side quest
to.
performance, boy. You ain't see them thing. You ain't see movie pan side quest.
No, I saw them thing, but like how you were singing and stuff, or dancing or something.
Or they just want me to shame myself. That's what they want.
So we are shaming you, you know. We are
Hey
shaming
what?
you.
Hey
We
what?
So
actually,
Nikolai, you boss a song. You sing a song. You sing a song for me.
hey, I not the person who's singing, you know. It's you.
uh,
I never see me singing.
when you try and you know he could never do that. Like the last time he say he was supposed to sing for we and he ended up leaving early in
No,
the
he did
class.
sing. He did sing in the last
He
live.
did sing?
Yeah.
Oh, well, okay. Making sure.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
So let me lock back in. Let me lock back in, right? So, Josh,
Yes, sir.
difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. Difference. What does difference mean? Tell me. What does difference mean, guys? Add, minus, what I mean.
To subtract.
To subtract
Right. Josh, you understand how to subtract?
Yes, sir.
or
All right.
minus.
And you see in squares. You see in that squares.
Yes, sir.
So like let me explain. We're gonna put it together, right? Difference of two squares. So a squared minus b squared. Difference of two squares. You understand?
Boy, why you saying it like that, boy? That's
I'm to you by tomorrow,
my
boy.
my highlighting. Anyways, the way I do, man.
So Josh, anytime you have something in that form where it's two squared terms and there's a difference in the middle, to factorize it, you could say a plus b by a minus b. You understand?
Yes, sir.
And let me show you something. Question. If I were to expand these brackets, what's supposed to get, Josh? What's supposed to get?
A squared plus minus B squared.
I'm supposed to get a squared minus b squared. Let me see. To expand that, you would do this, right? So I would say a by a is a squared, a by minus b, that's minus ab, b by a, that is positive ab, and b by minus b, that's minus b squared. Minus ab plus ab, that cancel off to give us a squared minus b squared. So a plus b by a minus b means the same thing as a squared minus b squared, the same thing. You dig?
Yes, sir.
Cool. So let me start. The first one, we have x squared minus 16. Is that any difference at two squares form?
No, sir.
So
No.
that legal and also. So that legal.
So tell me, we have a square term here, that's x squared. How could I write 16 as a square term?
4.
So that's x squared minus 4 squared, you dig?
Yes, sir.
And so that will be what by what? You tell me.
X minus 4 and x plus 4.
Yep.
Also, I have a
I have.
question.
I feel like a question is, so what if you had x plus 4 by x minus 4?
No. Is it okay if we left out the x squared minus 4 squared and just went straight to the brackets?
No, you should, wait, you gotta show that weekend.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. And guys, if I wrote this instead, would it be wrong? If you wrote x plus 4 by x minus 4, would that be wrong or would that also be right?
No, well, no, it wouldn't. It's the same thing. You're just interchanging the brackets and you're putting whichever one you decide to put first. It will still be
I
the
just
same
changed the
thing.
order, but it's the same thing.
It mean the same thing actually.
Virginia, your mic on.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
You heard Nikolai say that, Virginia, am I gone?
No. I was just saying that because somebody was talking about this, the question answer.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, pun intended.
My bad.
The person was me. But anyway, still get the idea. So I'll
Alright,
just put
so
my mic.
hope you're okay with that. Let's do another one. Alright, so Andelina, let's try 49 minus y squared. What we had to do here?
Get the square.
So
So
that's
be
really
7.
so that'll be 7 squared minus y squared. And if you factorize that, what that will be?
Would be y minus 7 and y.
No? Nah. Can't do that. It'd be 7 minus y by 7
Oh,
plus y. Yeah.
oh.
Or if you wanted, you could have say what?
Can I say 7 plus y and 7 minus y?
Yeah. Angelina, is this how you usually sound or like, because like it sound real sleepy, like real sleep deprived. Sound
No,
real
so
sleep.
I think that's what it sound. I don't know. I'm not sleepy.
I can't be the only one. Like, what if I Angelina sound a little sleepy?
Surprisingly, I'm not sleepy. I would be sleeping all now, but I'm surprised.
That is because of the vibes, boy. That is
Yeah.
the vibes.
Yeah,
So
I
that's
look,
just
that.
I know you encourage me. You encourage me that I sleep during the day, so I'm not tired.
So
that's
I know
good.
why you say I sound sleepy because I talking soft.
Oh, talk loud.
Sure, boy.
Oh
No, it's
no, my
night time,
parents I'm
man.
sleeping.
I
Oh,
saying,
they don't talk loud.
My
So let
sister
me.
sleeping right next to me.
So you
Oh,
want the
we.
girl parents to say, Angelina, it's too early in the
Yo,
morning for you to be making so much noise.
Wadi slippers stop pelt out, boy.
so let me
Caribbean
try.
parents.
So let me try this one. This is a case. Okay, so this is the type of question that usually comes in the exam, right? So 9x squared minus 25. So tip one is going to help us with this one, right?
Me? Yay!
Mr.
Give
I
it a
mean,
Mr.
try.
Man,
sure, why not?
Mr. Manga A in his maths course, guys. Big up tip one.
Congratulations. I
I
feel like
barely
a
pass.
proud parent.
Fine, I barely pass.
What do you mean you
I,
80 is not barely pass. Tip one 80 is not barely pass.
that to me
81.
I find that's barely pass.
What?
So tell
Okay,
them
no,
that
I
is
don't like that.
average. That is average. You was
Like,
close to the pass mark. That's not
Very
barely. Barely is
barely
like
pass.
lower than that. That is average. That's
that reminds me of
average.
We
Mr.
when
81?
Honey.
Virginia said that
What?
96% is normal for her. Or is not enough for her, something like that.
That's like
50s are
Virginia.
pass.
Once it's
80s
higher
are
than
barely pass.
50, once it's higher than 50, it is average. Just had us to put in more week.
What?
We
Well, that makes sense.
So,
oh
so what
gosh.
you correct me. Correct me if I'm wrong.
I wish I could have do live effects. You know, like
Like
we have like question marks and like thing floating and it's like you hear like dun, 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 dun,
I
dun,
mean you
dun,
could do
dun.
that along with a songboard and thing, you know. I tried
Oh,
download one, but the songboard kinda stupid, I delete it.
one day I will have like my team like processing my footage on my feed and thing, adding effects and thing, you know?
So hire me. I am good in designing. So hire me.
We
Okay.
the man don't have the future put on there way. The future team members put on there way.
Yeah.
I don't see three man you plan for it, yeah.
A lot of people interested in being
I
part of
tell
the
a lot of
backline.
people.
So let me do this question. So Josh is gonna help me with this, right? So Josh, you there?
Yes, sir.
So Josh, this is the question that's coming in the exam. So how would you do this? You tell me.
So we find the square root of 9, which is 3.
Right? So 9 is the same thing as 3 squared,
So we have 2x, so we just put back the x squared.
right? So
We need to find the square root of 25,
mm-hmm.
which is 5 squared.
What next?
So since we have 3 squared, we put in 3x minus 5.
Wait, yeah, I'll do one more thing before you continue. One more thing. So if all you realize both of them are squared, right? And both of those terms are squared.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
you need to write 3x in brackets squared minus 5 squared. So now it's in the form of difference of two squared terms. So what would the answer look like, Josh?
3x minus 5 and 3x plus 5.
Yep. Oh, they don't need my help, boy. All this, all like, all they know this, all they are good already, boy. Boy, finally moving real skillful.
Man, them ready. Where teaching? Where this supposed to be? You teaching them maths?
This is regular maths.
Regular maths?
I was doing
Really?
that maths earlier,
Well,
right?
I ain't catch ya. Holy.
That was 7 to 9.
Uh, I was day 7 to 9. I was actually watching piece of that. And then I had a log out for do something.
I see. Well, question for you all now. Oh, you can tell Granny I asked for her, right?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Excuse sir.
Step one. Yeah, Josh,
So a question like that, right, in CXC would be like how much marks? 3 or 2?
2.
Oh.
Right, so I want you all to try this one for me. 16x squared minus 81. You know what? After we're done with this question, I'm going to give you all one of the questions I got from in my engineering exam.
Oh, Lordy.
Lordy, sir, I never
Nah,
reached that far yet. What kind of
nah,
wickedness is
nah.
that?
Nah, do friend. Them things they just be real easy sometimes if you understand. Just have to
Josh,
sit down and
no.
sit down and
Okay, I'll take your word for it.
yeah,
Right.
just sit down and
Jo-
analyze the something. It gonna be real
Josh, you
easy
there?
once you find out the procedure.
Yes, sir.
Remember that long thing you said looking real hard and you saw how easy it was?
You talking about Laplace?
No,
Don't give them
no. I get them this question earlier. This.
oh then
It looked hard, but it wasn't hard. I'm gonna do the same thing just now. But guys, I want you all to try this question for me and put your answer in the chat. I'm coming back.
see this man coming back with a see this man might come back with a year two UE question. Them one go fry your brain. If you bring a year one year safe.
Your chat. Anybody want some chip ahoy?
Yes, sir.
We mean by hungry dog.
Passing it through the screen.
So I should send it via
I
WhatsApp,
want
sir.
I want mine come from a board. Like how them board does drop baby. Let's call him. But say one pan a board for me.
Devon, are you from St. Vincent? I had to ask. Because they have a volcano called the Las Sofre or
Yeah,
something.
yeah,
You see, I know my
Wasn't
geography.
Devon
Okay,
saying
yeah.
that
okay.
before? Renisha, you know, figure that out?
Does she know? She ain't no
I
figure it out
does,
to
I
me.
does. When I do in maths, no. When I do in maths, my brain is be focused on maths alone, okay? So when I intentionally bring up other subjects in the meeting, it's because I remember it off of memory from school or something. I don't remember asking him that
Mm.
before, so that's why I asked.
Renisha, you did geography?
Yep, I did. Mm-hmm.
How was the exam? What was he say?
Okay, it was okay, I guess. It wasn't hard, doable.
I hate geography with a passion.
Gil, I hate it too, but they say I can't say I hate something, otherwise you'll never pass it.
Sigh.
Okay, all right.
Seriously, if you say you hate it, all do you know you hate it?
Okay.
I've
So
learned
when you would
plenty
go
from
through
you.
complex, hey, Paul, hey, right? I find we had a game of viewers. So like, I don't know, I'm trying to work out something, but linear programming, if you want me to do that, I could do that. But I would first have to go through coordinate geometry.
So could you also do quadratic graphs?
Yeah.
I did that last term, and that's just like racked my brain. I don't like graphs.
Okay. Yeah, so Jenna, what to do?
With this question?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I have 4 squared x squared minus 9 squared.
So 16 is the same thing as 4 squared. The 4 squared x squared minus
Minus
9 squared,
which
which is the
is
same thing
same
as,
thing as 4x squared minus 9 squared. So that'll give you 4x minus 9, 4x plus 9.
yeah. Or you could write, cool. Are they good?
Yes, sir.
We're looking legal. You see how the question did?
So I get that correct. Like,
Nice.
yeah.
Aha.
I know he can bring a year to question. Good Lord.
This is university?
Yeah.
Or oh.
I know he been and bring that year too. I know he been and pull out a year two
No
question.
man.
Yeah, man. I know it. Know it.
It's actually real simple. It's actually real simple.
Yo, this look like this question
Linealization.
look like it kind of
Understand
pulled from
that
year one engineering maths.
that
Nah,
Maybe.
it
symbol,
really isn't.
the symbol, that symbol, what that symbol?
Phi.
Okay.
They kind of look similar though.
I like how I
I can't
just
do that.
gave all, yeah? Wait,
I can't do that with my head. I had like half sit down and walk out like think about it before. Like I can't just think about a funny spot. Like
so I want you guys to simplify phi for me. Do that. That's all I will say. Simplify it. Figure it out. I like how I just be going baby with all and then bam! I troll into the gutters.
that's not legal. Man, take out them training wheel while them riding.
Don't stuff I know I go end.
It's actually real simple, you know.
Don't fall in the drain, but I'll try.
So Josh, Nikolai, everybody try it. Try this. It's only looking hard. You only 5 minutes. After this question, I'll call it a night. So I guess in a scene now, they want to do the 24 plus hour live.
Of course.
Yes, sir, for sure.
Yes, sir.
Maybe
Yeah.
depend on when you're doing it.
Yeah, depends. Because sometimes the internet does be playing the fool sometimes.
Yeah.
Backrooms Wi-Fi. But I don't know why. I'm looking like a wire alone.
Simon, you could try it.
I mean, I don't want to open. I mean, I'm doing this mental. Everybody don't go and sleep.
Somebody asked if I was a math teacher on TikTok.
Last year is an English teacher.
Nah, it's a
He's
chemistry
an
teacher,
English.
man.
He's an English social studies teacher. What kind of question
Spanish.
is that? You see, maths question.
He's a
But
language teacher.
he's a social studies teacher, all there. He teaches we about
Yeah,
global warming.
yeah. We learn about that too. He's also a biology teacher. He teaching about the respiratory system of a penguin.
Um, um, what's the topic, boy? Dominant and recessive allele.
He teaching astronomy.
Man
Teaching
teaching quantum
physiology.
physics.
2 minutes remaining, essentially. Who want to do this question, Mama? Who want to do
Everybody
the question,
quiet,
Mama?
boy. Everybody quiet.
Everybody real quiet on the creek. So Roshni, this is actually just difference of two squares. That's all. This is literally just difference of two squares, which is on the
No,
syllabus. Yeah, I see.
I think I finished.
Send it to me.
Okay.
I'll show you guys how to do the question. It's really not that hard.
You get more to that question. Huh? I should have been see
Yeah.
some IG key somewhere below that. You send the question, give me. I never work. Try do it how y'all do it over the vacation.
All right. I'll send you the answer sheet to that do. Okay,
Send me the
so
question first and then I will ask you for the answer sheet later.
no problem. Nia, that is not correct. Wait, so let's just do a quick recap, right? So guys, if you have something in the form a squared minus b squared, what is the answer? How would you factorize that?
A plus B by A minus B.
So my question to you guys is this in this form? Guys, anybody?
Yeah, I guess so.
No, it is. What?
That's
A
A.
squared minus B squared.
I see all the letters and numbers in the brackets. I'm throwing them off real
Yeah,
bad.
real scary number. It really not hard.
Yeah,
Real
yeah,
bad.
it's that scared me.
So guys, difference of two squares. We have this in brackets squared minus this in brackets squared. So yes, that is this is any difference of two squares for. So Joshua, did you use difference of two squares?
So I think so.
Well, let me see. So I'm gonna correct it now. So before I continue, everybody in class, if you had something like a squared minus b squared, what would that be? Anybody want to tell me?
That'll just be A minus B. Well, A plus B, A minus B.
Cool. So if we are comparing, what do you think is E? Tell me, Joshua. Like Virginia. Yeah, Virginia, what do you think is E?
X plus 2y plus C.
What do you think is B?
X minus y minus C.
Exactly. So we actually just have a difference of two squares. And to work that out, it's going to be A plus B by A minus B. So can everybody see that this whole crazy thing is actually A and this whole crazy thing is just B?
Yes, sir.
Right. So it's gonna be A plus B. So what's A? Tell me guys. Josh, what's A? What's acting like A?
X plus 2y plus z squared.
No, not squared. Look at it again. A squared minus B squared is equal to A. You don't see A squared, you just see A plus B by A minus B. You see that?
Oh yes, sir, my mistake.
So this is A. So you're gonna add A to B. So X plus 2y plus Z. So Joshima, that whole thing is what?
A
Right? And you're adding that to what?
to B
What is B?
x minus y minus z.
Right. And you're gonna multiply that by? Tell me.
So by
You can do it.
wait, I'm so confused.
I wanna
Right.
give him a hint. But you know what? I believe he go figure it out. I believe he go figure it
I
out.
think you go figure it out too. Joshua,
Yeah.
what's A squared minus B squared?
A plus b or a minus b.
A plus B multiplied by A minus B, right? Yeah?
Okay, I will drop the hint. Watch the
Nah.
form. Watch the form. Watch the
So
form.
Why? Also to be the same thing but with the minus sign. So it will be
yes.
x
There
plus
you go.
2y plus
There
z
you go.
minus
Wait, you gotta be
x minus
careful. You gotta be very careful. You gotta be very careful. A lot of
Bracket.
students are going to put minus X minus Y minus Z like that, but that's wrong. You're minusing the whole of B, right? Josh, you're minusing the whole of B. What's the whole of B? Tell me, Josh, what's the whole of B?
x minus y minus z.
Yes, you had to put that in brackets because you're minusing that whole thing. So X minus Y minus Z in brackets. You catch?
Yes, sir.
So like guys, it only looked scary, but I mean, there's nothing all it can do. All right, so I'm gonna go over it one more time. So Josh, can you see that we have this term squared minus this term squared? So we have a difference of
2 squared. 2 squares.
exactly. We have a difference of two squares. So that's just A plus B by A minus B. See that?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Let me keep it rolling. So talk to me, right, Josh? You see any like terms over here?
X.
Right? So you see an x and x over there. When you add that, what you get? What's x plus x?
X squared.
No. Okay, Josh, if you have an x and you have another x, how much x's you have?
2x.
Right, so you have one x and you add another x, you have two x's. You only get x squared when you multiply, and x multiplied by x is x squared. But x plus x is 2x. Right? Let's look at the y terms now. You seen any other y terms?
Yes, sir.
What other y term is here?
No, so I just think it's that one.
Nah, there's another y term inside here.
Oh yes, sir. Y by itself.
You mean minus y?
Yeah, check this sign. Check this sign. Don't forget this sign.
So
My
Josh, you
bad.
might have
Yes, sir.
you have
Minus y.
2y here and you have minus y. So talk to me. What is 2y minus a y?
Positive y. Well, 3y.
No, take your time. So you have two y's over here, and you take away a y.
Or just y, sir.
Yeah, just y. Gonna go over that again, guys. So when you're simplifying this, you're looking for like terms, right? So you're gonna work out the first bracket first. So I'm seeing an x term here, and I'm seeing an x term here. How much x's you have?
2x.
Right? Then you're looking at the y terms. You have 2y over here, and you have minus y over here. What is 2y's minus y?
Y.
Y. So 2x plus y, don't forget the sign. And then we have positive z minus z. What's z minus z?
Well, nothing.
I cancel off. So like any look how simple that boy long to. Look at that. That is all. Let me look at the other bracket now. So in the other bracket, you have x plus 2y plus z. And before you do anything, remember, Josh, you were minusing the b term, right? But you see this whole thing is the b term. That whole thing is the b term. So we had to do that minus sign.
You have to change the positive.
Anytime you have something outside the brackets, we have to do. So Josh, we are minusing the b term, right? Because it's minus b. But this is the whole b term. That's the whole b term. That's the whole b term. Right? Josh?
Yes, sir.
Let me explain it again, right? So do you understand that this is b?
Yes, sir.
And when you're doing difference of two squares, it's minus b.
Yes, sir.
But this is the whole b term. So you had to minus that whole thing. So remind me, when you have something outside the brackets, what do you do? Let me jog your memory a little bit. What do you do if you have something outside the brackets?
You have to multiply by everything inside.
Exactly, because you're minusing the whole b term, you know. You're minusing the whole b term, everything. So that minus, you're gonna distribute it across every single term. So that's minus by x, minus by minus y, minus by minus z. So we're gonna end up with.
So just
Oh my gosh.
you're not gonna end up with nothing. So you just
No, you will end up with something. What's minus by x?
Carefully, wait.
What's minus by x?
Yo, for some people, I think it might be better if I just put like a 1 outside the bracket so you could see how it distributed easy.
Nah, I don't want to put that one. I don't want to get them that handicap.
Yeah.
Josh, what's a negative? So you have negative here by positive x. What's a negative by a positive?
negative.
So what's negative? So you just multiply negative by x, so that'll be negative x.
Oh,
And then over here I have negative by negative y. What's a negative by negative?
positive. So you'll get y.
Don't forget the sign, positive y. And then you have
Positive
minus
y.
by minus z. What that will
So
be?
we get
Minus by.
positive z.
Yeah. So now that you take the negative and you distribute it across everything, now you're gonna look to see if you could simplify. All right. Are you seeing
Mhm.
any other x terms?
No, sir.
You sure? I see no other x term. I see one here.
Mm,
Are there any other x terms in this bracket?
yes, sir.
What are x term?
Negative x.
Ah, you see the sign. Nice. So where's x minus x?
Um, it cancel out.
It cancel out. Cool. So we know that. That's good. You seen any y terms? So we have two y here. You seen any other y terms?
Yes, sir. Positive y.
Right? And then you see where you see it next?
Positive z and positive z.
Right? Positive z and positive z. So let we put that, so that'll be equal to 2x plus y. And we had x and minus x. What's x minus x?
It could cancel.
Right? Then so that we forgetting the x. All right, we're moving on. So we have 2y here and we have y here. What's 2y plus y?
3y.
Right? And then we have z plus z. Where's z plus z?
2z. Positive 2z.
Right? Cool. That talk to me, right? Like a way to compare this madness to this. Doesn't this look a million times easier?
Yes, sir.
As a matter of fact, we know how to expand things like that, you know. We know how to expand things like this. Do you remember how to expand things like this? Yeah or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, how am I gonna expand that?
Go and find the
Nah, not find. I don't know. Nah, no find. Let me jog your memory. Anytime you have to expand the product of two binomials, you do it like this. So I'll take 2x, I'll multiply by 3y, and I'll multiply it by 2z. What else I should do?
Oh, yes. Um, multiply the y by everything in the other bracket.
Yeah, and what will I end up with?
You'll get 6xy
Yeah,
and 2yz plus 2yz. Also 4xz.
yeah,
Plus you'll get 4y.
you get 3. What?
So
This is 1y,
3y
you know.
squared.
3y squared, yes. Because y by y is y squared, so 3y squared.
So
And then what?
then plus 2yz.
That is it. A cardinal simplification. That's literally it. Yeah.
Yes,
A
sir,
lot
that
of
was easier, but
these things is things that is just like strenuous. It's just like tedious. It's like a combination of everything, you know. It's just long. Wouldn't say it's hard. It's just a lot. It's just a lot.
Yep, as maths in engineering, boy. It's not hard, just long and very tedious. Once you understand what you're doing, kick.
So yeah.
You could
Well,
ask this man. You could ask this man what my problems with maths, bro. I mean, I understand nothing.
like I remember when Tivon come UE, he didn't know how to differentiate, you know. I feel like Ole was in a better position than Tivon. But now he get 80 something, he get 80 something in the masters. Big up Tivon.
One time.
Big up.
Yay. Yay. From
So
nothing to 80.
Sir,
Like I said before, I'm a proud parent.
proud
sir.
parent.
Yay.
I'm joking. I'm joking. I have no children. I just saying I'm proud.
No, but
Yeah,
sir,
Nikolai?
if Tivon could do it, we could do it as well. That is my point.
Exactly. Devon
Yes,
Yeah,
was at that.
I
I's
know,
motivation.
sir. I'm not done fighting. C-sec may be finished, but I continue to fight. Need to get
You
on
might
top.
have you might have lost the battle, but you'll win the war.
Exactly. Facts. Exactly.
That one was loud boy. He ain't had nobody for wake up the.
Pretty sure real loud, eh?
Hey, I am not loud. I'm not. You need to lower your volume down on your phone, or whatever device you're using.
I can only imagine really shine church and thing.
Nah.
That's
I am an alkalite on the altar, and I cannot be extremely loud. I don't even be singing loud in the people and them church, because that church
I
boring.
Virginia,
What?
you believe that? Virginia, you believe that?
I
Serious
don't
thing.
do that. I'm not even gonna lie.
Check
Well,
Renisha.
come to the church
Wait.
and you will see.
Oh, check Renisha. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it loud, real loud.
No, sir. No, sir. No. Because I loud here, you feel. No. Don't even talk much in there. I let's just go on the altar to do my job and come off. Simple as that.
What do you do?
Okay, let me tell you. I had to cry the cross. Yeah, the cry the cross on the altar. I just have to help with first communion. After I had to clean up all the stuff and them after the service over. I just had to check the offering. Basically, that's it. Simple things.
Okay.
Mind you, I'm doing this for free, eh? I ain't getting paid. I'm doing it for free. The better. The luckier, because there's some people who can charge to do them nonsense. But anyway, I'm working for the Lord, so I have no bad mind.
I have a question. Like this just out of curiosity, right? A lot of people as I come to my lives and come to these sessions, right? And learn really well, but like they wouldn't come to my class, but they would pay for like a lesson teacher that not teaching. I want to understand the science behind that. Like somebody could explain that science for me. I don't understand that.
So honestly,
Okay.
I
Well,
going to come in class, right? But I was waiting on results first to see which subjects I need to do before,
I
you
feel
know?
I feel you pass maths and physics. Right? Let me not think about you not passing that. I feel you passing. I feel you passing.
I
I
feel so
rather
too,
not
but
see her. I rather not see her in a good way. I don't want to see her back in my class. I want to see her prosper. I want to see her move on in life. You know?
amen to that.
so what you gonna say about me? I know you're fed up of seeing my
Renisha.
face.
No.
nah, that's not like
It's
every
my
time
second.
Renisha pop in the
This
meeting,
was my
he just smile. No, that for sure.
This is the second time I do over C-sec, and being honest with you, I don't want to have to do it over again. That's why I was pushing myself. Really and truly. Really and truly. It's what I
Yeah.
have been doing from since the start.
You had to push yourself like we're taking master camp. Looking for a Goku meme.
Oh Lord.
Don't tell me I push yourself over 9,000.
No. Are you crazy? I don't want to be bones, skeletal bones.
Time out, everyone. Time out.
Oh,
What are they bad?
okay.
We
Why
are
this
stick
look like
alike.
Nikolai? Why
I
this
know
look
a
like
struggle.
Nikolai? That's my question. That look like
Nikolai,
Nikolai.
what you do
That
like
look like
what?
Nikolai.
Sir, I find you're finding a lot of things that resemble me, you know. So just pick one,
No,
that's it.
but this is a compliment though. This is a compliment. You wouldn't want to look like this?
Yeah, I go want to look like it. I would want to look like it. I take the compliment, but still.
No, like it's the eyes. Nikolai, do this, do that, do that, do that, do that. Nikolai, do it, do it, do it. Do it.
Good now, man.
Of course, I'm dead. I'm dead. I can't. Oh, gosh.
Sorry.
Oh, good.
No, I don't look funny.
Boy, I can't catch my breath. I'm laughing too much.
Boy,
Only
I'm
they go
calling a
laughing,
phone here.
yes.
So let me just summarize, right? So we looked at majority of factorization. We looked at some really hard examples, some easy examples. Yeah. In the next slide, we'll continue where we left off. We'll do factorization for trinomials, i.e. quadratics. And Jenna, you there?
Yes, sir.
Jenna, okay, if we start quadratics factorization, I will do graphs one time for you.
Okay. What now?
Well, no. I have
Okay.
a class in the morning. I have a class
You have a
8
class in the
in
morning
the
and you have to
morning.
sleep.
I have a class 8 o'clock bright and early in the morning.
Oof.
And somehow they had to come to that class. Yeah, some people in that class. Yeah. So it's been a pleasure. I'll look into do the 24 plus hour live between the 23rd and 24th. Just like you know.
Okay, sir. No problem.
So
Sir,
wait, so try and move away from the 23rd, please.
How
Because
come?
the entire day are out for the 23rd because it's my sister's birthday. So
Oh, I might
But
probably
till
be
I
able
say
to
happy
do
birthday.
thank you,
I
thank
might
you.
probably be able to do the 24th and 25th.
Yeah, that should be fine. I think.
Yeah. So guys, it can be legendary, right? Like 24 plus hours on maths. I don't know what I had to do to make sure Math Vibe's not underrated anymore. I don't know. I feel like I rush on the time, but like I feel like I could help so much children. So much people need the in-depthness, and I had to do what I had to do to like put myself out there. I fed up being underrated, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we
Um,
understand.
Yeah,
Tell
man.
them what else I say. Tell them what else I say. Let it
What?
go. Just let it go.
what?
No, Renisha just confused me and all, yeah. Renisha just
I'm
confused
lost.
me.
When it
Not
comes
you.
to maths, well, what others we saying? Okay, jeez, I just like to lighten up the mood. Oh my gosh.
My goodness. Oh, you know this meme? Where is it? It was like, oh my goodness.
Oh, God.
Trying to say nice me.
Yeah. I went to Shiva Boys in New College. I do upper six there as well. But like when I went to Shiva Boys, it was like a different time. That was like real difference. I don't know if it's like good or bad difference.
When you say good or bad, what do you mean by that?
I don't know. A lot of things change in Shiva Boys. Like
Really?
the principal, like a lot of things change.
Okay. Well, I'm still trying to figure out what school I want to go to in 2046. I'm not sure yet, but I'll figure out something.
You know, figure. I'm sure whatever school you go to, they'll be pleased to have you.
Oh, thank you. That's so kind. Don't make me
Big
cry
up,
here.
big up.
They'll have plenty laughs.
No, sir. That's how my head on in school. I don't be joking around. I really don't be joking around. I just be quiet, like real quiet, especially if I don't know you that much. I wouldn't talk to you.
Wait there. Let me show you how Renisha does be moving.
So why you always on me? We on Nikolai and Devon sometimes too. Well, Romano not here, so.
Nah, but it's good points though. No lying.
Oh, okay,
Nah,
okay,
This is
like,
how
okay.
this
I
is how
take it
Renisha.
back.
This is how Renisha. Let's be moving.
oh,
Hey, I'm not no saucy Santa. Don't do me that. Don't do me that.
I'm
Don't do
telling
me
you the
that.
song real
but,
quiet,
but,
real
but
quiet
for
on the
real, though,
creek.
like,
Real quiet on
My
the creek.
gosh.
Shh.
I
Real
fed up
when you
here,
get
quiet.
that's
real,
all.
when you get real comfortable, you just settle down and you open up. Like, actually,
Dog,
Yeah.
boy,
Yeah,
dog,
that's
dog.
it.
Wait,
Tell them,
wait, wait,
Tevon.
wait a minute.
Is a
Wait a
man. A
minute.
man dressed up
Wait,
as a
huh?
woman.
No, 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 no. I'll show you something.
Oh.
What is the name of that dancehall
we
artist
fine, boy.
that was in jail and he come out?
Vibes
You
cartel,
talking
sir.
about cartel?
Dog,
Vibes
dog.
cartel.
That, wait, that
Don't tell
looking
me
like
you
Vibes
looking.
Cartel in a wig.
Oh
That
my
looking like
God.
Vibes Cartel in a wig, dog.
Oh, don't do
Dog.
that.
That
Oh
looking
my
like
God.
Congo Lagafi.
Wait, I'm kind of seeing it though. Wait.
Yeah, exactly. I trying to. I kind of seen it.
Nah, sir,
But you
don't
never
do it.
always.
Sir, you know that's not true, but don't do it that, nah, sis.
Yeah, don't do with that. Don't do with that, sir. Don't do with that, man.
Nikolai,
You
is
never
there a
always
whole
used to
video
look
on
like
that?
that.
Brother man, remember your life on YouTube, eh?
nice
Yeah,
monkey.
your live on YouTube.
Then
Nice
the
monkey.
YouTube
man
Studio, so
pull
be
that clip there
careful.
from a video.
Careful, 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 careful.
Why people want to know where I from and thing, boy? What?
My
So
goodness.
people just being macro
Talk of
shots.
behavior.
All right, all right.
The
Oh
man
yeah.
want find you out, boy.
So from Trinidad and Tobago. That's all you can know. Very well.
He live in Trinidad and Tobago.
All right. He's a Trinidadian. Okay? Okay.
Somebody
If
say,
y'all want to find him, y'all have to go looking at Trinidad. That's a long drive.
They can't find him because it have a lot of Indians in Trinidad and Tobago.
what
That's
that's
being
supposed to
racist.
mean? What that supposed to mean,
Wait,
boy? What
wait.
that supposed to mean? Dog, what that's
Because
supposed to
we are
mean,
all mixed
Renisha?
up. Our countries are mixed up color, okay? We have Chinese, we have East Indians, we have pure Indians, we have Negro people, we have East Africans, whatever let's call them.
Renisha, are you saying I just look like all Indians look the same? That is that what you're saying?
No, sir, no. I mean that. No, you are different from other Indians. Okay? I'm Indian in my family too, so don't worry.
Renisha just confused me earlier. Like confuffle my brain.
Hey, you use my vocabulary. That is a plus. I don't say comfuffle. I live in the word comfuffle, okay? Okay.
Renisha
So
rubbing off on him, boy. Gosh.
somebody
I'm
say,
sorry.
real bad man don't model in our shorts.
What?
What?
Somebody say that on TikTok. Real bad man don't model in our shorts.
TikTok.
Try to
TikTok
sing.
had him, boy.
God, Ollie, I laugh so much, but just hurt him now. Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
boy.
Yeah, boy. Well, it
I
was a
could
pleasure.
I couldn't laugh hard. I still can't laugh hard. People them sleeping shit.
Devon, pon the camera, the long time we see you.
Yeah, long time we see
Y'all
her.
ain't
And
gonna
don't
see
pull
me.
off that
I
trick where you pull off the other time, eh? You say I in a dark room so you can see me.
but I
Wow.
in a dark room, y'all still can't see me.
You see?
But those are don't get the joke.
Good.
Devon is asphalt color. He's
Oh
I
my
real
God.
dark. If I
Devon
turn
real
on
dark.
my camera now, y'all seen teeth.
I'm trying to tell you. I
Do it,
pull
do
out
it, do
you
it, do
the
it, do it.
last time.
Do it, do it, do it.
Is it real quick, eh? Y'all see me? Y'all ain't
Hey,
seen
I
nothing.
just now see a little bit of light there. Move back with the lighters.
All I seen was his finger touching the phone. That is all.
Yeah, that is all I
Is my finger.
see.
Is
Oh,
my
it's
finger.
phalanges wiggling there or that skeletal bones. Which one?
Yeah, really, Shana. I just phalanges.
Phalanges, I feel let's call it.
Is my
You
fingers.
literally let's call this part of your fingers phalanges.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Biology.
It
Biology.
will.
See? Oh,
But I know
Smart
about that.
like what? Shame on you.
Nah. You get too much things for knowing how to Wally.
But Tevon, let me see, you know? We can't see her at all.
Like seriously?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can't see you. We literally can't see you.
Hold on, let me go turn on. Let me go turn on
Pull
the
Tevon,
on.
light.
Tevon is Vanta Black, yes?
Oh my goodness. I
Pro
pull up.
Batman nearby.
What?
Like, anytime, Keisha, Tevon and I link up, it's like a reverse Oreo, if that makes sense. Because you know, like Oreo is like,
Yes, sir,
you
I
know,
know. The cream of the white thing for inside the biscuit or the outside and the biscuit inside. So it's
yeah,
a reverse sandwich. Yeah.
yeah. Anybody have any interesting facts to share?
I alive.
Do you know?
Look,
Uh,
Tevon,
uh,
Tevon, you got a
ooh,
haircut?
you get a
Yo,
haircut? I need to be disrespectful, but we can see your whole face. You only see your nose and your nose blocking everything.
this is I. For those who don't know,
Hello. Long time no see, brother. How you going?
I alive. Very alive.
All right.
Every
Amen for
time.
that. Preach.
Somebody, hey, Tevon, somebody say fresh cut, Tevon.
Fresh cut.
Mm-mm.
Oh,
This
yeah.
You
stay
see
long,
the
it's like 2 weeks.
learning we name by heart all here. Just now you go hear them say, I fed up Renisha, but she always talking.
I see somebody say that. I see somebody say that. No lie, I see somebody say that.
They can't
Oh
fed up
well, too
Renisha,
bad, too
man.
sad.
Renisha vibes.
You can't stop me from talking because it's
Can't
sense of
fed up
talking.
Renisha,
All right.
Renisha vibes.
It's sense talking.
Because when I don't talk, so they ask me if I still there or if I'm sleeping. I really don't want to pull out that sticker you make with me now.
All you see the picture of Renisha sleeping?
God, I should have never say nothing. Jesus. Don't laugh. What's that like? No, they're talking about me.
Oh gosh.
Wait, eh?
No comment.
1 second.
Sir, you really gonna look fake? I fed up restore the street. I will stop it just now. Wait and see.
Check Renisha and all you. Check Renisha.
Oh gosh.
What Nikolai doing, boy?
Boy, I buddy.
Now why?
I find
Everybody
Nikolai looking
sticks.
like an alien nobody.
Yeah, take one with Nikolai. You ain't fed up on me.
So what
You
is with
don't
me
move.
with this
You don't
alien
miss
thing
by
when I
an
talk about?
inch.
boy, boy crying. Boy, you know.
All you, all you want to know why is the secret
Wait.
behind that
So I
picture?
doing my work, guys. Consider that alien now.
Boy, I did. I did. I
Oh
did,
gosh,
bro.
E.T. home. That's what I remind
I
me of.
can't.
E.T.
Nila, I can't be the one that's seeing that.
Oh
Nila,
my gosh,
Uh,
you couldn't.
you're not
I am
alone,
Nila,
an
sir.
alien.
Nila,
Oh
you
my
seen it?
God.
Yeah, you're not alone, sir.
Oh, sorry,
Oh
Nicola.
gosh.
My son will kill me, yes?
No, so I wouldn't.
We were all going through it in that picture, even son or two. So, sir, you can't say that about me. And they expect me. I was real tired because I had an exam that same day and I was to come home and study for physics. So I was tired. Yeah.
You know what? Nikolai just kind of talk the same way. Nikolai just be like, no, I had to, no, like, I just say the same kind of thing. I just had to, say, wait, just not say really sure.
I had an exam that day, so I came home tired.
No, you
It
didn't
was
say it
a
the same way
private
you say it.
exam. Oh yeah, because he ain't trying to fool me, so he ain't trying to tie me up.
No, like, but
I
anyway,
had
I
an
find
other I had I had to go on an exam. I had an exam that day. So I had to wait, what I just now say? I had an exam that day. So I was tired. So I wasn't expecting only to take a screenshot of me. I was so tired. I was out of it.
Bruh. Yeah, I get catch locking on them sites.
That was physics paper too, eh? That was physics paper too.
I remember when I
Yeah.
been spacing out and somebody snapped me, boy.
Wait. All I want to see pictures. That's the one.
Yeah, please. Enough for me.
Somebody been snapped me when I been spacing out midlife. Man say I been
Somebody
the
can
man
send
say I
me
been gone.
that profile picture you have there. I like it. I don't know what is the inspiration behind that profile picture, but it better than my own. I could thief it from it.
Check.
Yo, where can I batch him up, bruh?
So that is you? That is you too?
Yeah.
But as a filter,
Hey,
really
not
hell,
kidding. All you would have look nice as females, you know.
hell
Really and
no.
truly.
No.
Yeah.
Delete that.
Nah, we're pushing it too much. We're pushing it too much.
Bro, delete that.
Nah.
So delete that, eh? Oh, sorry me.
Devon.
Brother, delete that one
Devon.
time.
For your wedding, I gotta make sure I'll show your girl a picture and she go put our picture up.
Sir, you go
No.
ruin his reputation, sir.
Tevon, that
I
is an
know.
example of a friend you can't trust.
Watch.
Good. Nah, man, you catching a bad time there, boy. Sleeping?
This is what
You sleeping and still have a phone?
Bruh, I've been knocked out. This man had me going until like what? That morning it was a late night, early morning. This man catch me knocked out, boy.
Was it for
Let's see.
CSEC?
No, I think we've
Oh, I
been doing
remember that one. I
a
remember
live.
that.
Is
Oh,
the day?
I remember that one.
Is the day that we set up the whole night, go till morning, and then the night, and then it's that
24
night.
hours.
Not really 24, it was 12.
Oh.
I was by the at that time. And this man
Oh.
snapped me while I sleeping, boy. Be evil. Be
Wait,
evil.
Ole. Check this picture. This is a tough picture. This is a tough one.
Yeah, that look. I remember when Sir put that up on the TikTok. That was before my other TikTok. I gonna get her.
The man hack you, boy?
Why they hack you?
They're coming out for your TikTok. Why the heck, man? I don't know. They're probably fine.
Probably forget the
Probably
followers.
fine. I was too nice. I had too much followers. I want to look scary, boy. One of my friends and them do that.
Check we.
Helicopter.
It was flying out. It was flying out. Check the man. He flying. Watch him flying.
Yeah, what
I
trust you
believe I
pilot,
can
eh?
fly.
Which part are you gonna? Why
Yeah,
you
well,
do that?
That is
Trust
still
me
one
for be a
private plane.
pilot, eh?
That is still one private plane. The one of our private plane.
Boomeras. They could teach me how to drive a car
Wait,
too.
serious talk?
Yeah.
Serious thing.
Tevon, you had all of this and I waiting to go places.
And
sir?
you're now telling me you're hiding secrets or what?
Hey, I have plane na private na pilot's license, you know. Yeah, I'll show you how
You
I
have
may
a
be a
plane.
pilot. That
One
is
ticket.
just the stationary until I get my license, you know. When I ready, I fly it out anywhere and anytime.
Oh,
Yeah,
right.
well, you have people go want to come to, like example me.
And me, literally.
Fly in the front, boy. I'll get the jump seat.
Devon.
Oh yeah.
Remember the time I did make the AI videos, boy?
Oh no, brother.
Oh my goodness. I
That
would
was
have guessed
weird.
that was weird to see Jesus in the right side corner.
Wait,
Nah.
this one was real funny. Wait, this one was real funny.
It was a picture, and then he just shoved that in AI, and the AI doing everything.
I would have get
LeBron
frightened and
James.
say, but what the jail is this? Where you come from?
Oh,
Is the anime one I really like, bro? That's the one I really like. The other one I said
this
kind
one?
of yeah, that one.
But it looks so
And it's
realistic.
so we
though.
laugh it.
Whoa, wait, who is that?
Yeah, who's that?
That is
As the anime character.
Yeah.
So you
Yeah,
have real
that's
plenty
Rem
free time.
That's Rem from ReZero. Man, we used to do real stupidness in we free time, you know.
Oh, then what
Real
is?
stupidness.
Oh, I know that. Huh?
Where
Hello.
the hell he come up from?
Oh, no,
I
no, no,
think
I know that one. I know that one. And isn't
I
that the
mean
chicken, the fried chicken? No, some chicken that he eat, and he say it was something about raw.
yeah. Some like I think the man after the AI video, I admit I don't have that video no more, but like that video itself, I think he eat the raw chicken and then tell me this chicken is raw, some stupidness.
Yeah, boy.
Brother,
That was real
I was
stupid.
watching that. I was
I mean,
Yeah,
I
we
saw
we
some.
been we been doing some real stupidness with AI. Show them the
Yeah.
GTA looking one, Rajiv.
Oh, the GTA. Yeah, let me see if I can find that. That was a tough
okay.
one. I don't know if I gonna have that one.
Don't show them the sauce one, but delete that.
What sauce one? What?
Yeah,
What
have a
sauce one?
sus one
No,
too.
no, no, Tivan, I'm
This
questioning.
one?
What
What?
sauce one?
What's suspicious?
They had real stupid one that the AI make, and I just want to see that show off, but that is real stupid. I know he tell that AI do, but that AI do some stupidness, and it just have me walking there. I never can describe that.
What is that on
The
your
one
head
remember
there?
that? The one remember this one, dog?
Oh yeah, boy. Hey, that's my ducky, you know.
Wait,
The donkey have one bandana too, yes.
Dog.
And the bandana is my favorite color.
Oh,
Ducky, have to be drip out, you know.
boy.
I have buy a bandana for ducky. Look for a small one.
oh yeah, I
Yeah, we
saw
been
that.
kidnapping.
Wait,
And that
We been
on Instagram? Yeah, I saw that
nah.
one.
We been kidnapping
on
this guy.
TikTok.
Been
And this
kidnapping
man
Kisha.
just, the two of them kidnapping him, and he just
We should have
watching
had the
them and
car trunk
smiling.
open. We should have had the car trunk open and look like we
We
going
should
to
have.
movie.
We
That
should
was a
have.
real picture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was AI.
Nah, that one was
The
real. We
three
actually kidnapped
generals.
the man.
The three
Okay.
generals, dog.
Yeah.
So like this is the guy, like you know the brave guy that's be commenting Virginia. This is the brave guy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
I see three of us. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, Tivon, what is his face? Tivon, not Tivon, bro. Bro, I gotta make a sticker. I gotta make a sticker. What is this
What?
face?
God.
That is not. I never did that. What the hell?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you know what? You know what that picture remind me of? Remember the
Bro,
SpongeBob
I never did
episode?
that face. I
Remember the SpongeBob
never did that
episode
face.
when
Yes,
Squidward
you
tried to
did.
eat the Krabby
Nah,
Patty?
dog. I do remember that. I
Tivan,
do
that
remember
is
that.
when he catch you lacking.
No, dog.
Oh,
How? No, like really, how could I be lacking when he had the camera right in my face? And I
I don't
know
know,
this
but
man. I
I don't
know
know,
this
but
man.
you saying you don't know how he get that.
So
That not real. I tell you, I never
that
met
is
that
real,
face.
Tivon.
That
That is real.
bro, where the hell?
you just
You
Tivon.
now
don't
remind me of the
you
episode where SpongeBob catch Squidward eating the Krabby Patty and that's how we watch him.
what you doing, boy?
Tivon.
I believe
Yeah.
you prompt me to make that face if it's anything, because I will willingly do that. You know
Remember,
that. You
why you
know
want your
that.
voice going silent? What I doing wrong?
We
Oh,
boy.
Tivon, but yeah, if you was still in Trinidad, I mean, I'd be doing utter nonsense, dog. I'd be doing utter
Well,
nonsense.
we do. I sure you prompt me to do that. I don't remember. I would never do that free willingly. Boy. Look
Boy.
at that shit. I
Hey,
look
hey,
so.
hey. Language, language.
Oh wait,
Tivon.
Sorry,
Whoa,
sorry,
whoa,
I'm
sorry,
gonna
whoa.
sorry,
thief
sorry.
that sticker. Stand it on. I'm gonna thief that sticker. You know what stickers I take from all in that group? Only send them a good amount. I just pray to God so don't make no more of me.
As a devious sticker boy, send that give me too. My sister then going love that.
The amount of stickers I have at Tivon, you know?
I just
What the hell was that one?
we know 3 more days, but don't remind me now, please.
Oh, let me
I just
relaxing right now.
wanted
Why
to
are
come
there?
online see if it's
Oh my God.
Oh my.
Whoa.
I don't. I ain't see what happened there. What I miss?
Well, you can believe it.
Devon is
Oh
seeing
my
this?
god, that look real scary, boy.
Oh, I remember that. I remember that.
Nice. So nice.
I
Oh, look,
remember that for sure.
when Devon
Oh
spend
no,
head
there
like
is a
that,
picture of a cat. Which one? The animal.
Animal. You sure?
Animal.
this is
Animal.
Devon. This is Devon all there.
That's Devon.
Oh good.
But how he
Oh,
eyes
he
and
look real
teeth
scary.
red? Like he
Oh
was
gosh, it
by
does look
some
like a
light.
Yeah,
cat.
how?
It does look like a cat. Oh my god, I see
You
it.
see him?
It does look like a cat.
See?
That
I
was
wouldn't
straight.
lie for
That
that.
was straight.
Devon had to take a picture of that for himself. Rajiv didn't take that.
Nah, it's Rajiv take that. Like we didn't need. Like this man just say, let me try something and just take out the light and then bam, just see
Yeah,
all
take
my
it, take
eyes
it,
and
take
teeth glowing one thing.
it.
When
Um,
we do, I think the most stupidness we
Having
do is when I take the vacation for go by he, spend the Christmas by he. That's why we do the most nonsense.
red
I
eyes is
miss
one thing, but having
I miss them days, boy. I
Them
miss them
the
days.
red backdrop was crazy though.
Say that again?
I said the red backdrop in that thing. That kind of remind me of some trippy red. The
What
rapper.
later, Josh, have a blessed
Yeah,
night.
later they buy.
We just chilling, you know. I don't know what we do. Apparently we just chilling.
Yeah, this is the vibes part now. We just vibes in now.
oh there we drinking and we don't have no
Hey, I
Whoa,
look man, I
whoa,
drinking.
whoa.
We drinking.
what
I drinking water.
Well,
water. We
speaking of
drinking water.
drinking,
Yeah, we drinking water.
this is what has happened when I drink a shandy, apparently.
Man, take one sip of that. You
Now man, sir. Now
know.
once upon a honey knock out on the ground.
One sip of that.
All
I
I
even
want to
was
see.
They don't
I
have
I
that much
I was worse. I
alcohol.
couldn't smell that.
So I
If I smell
don't
that, I gone.
understand how that happened.
All I want to
I
see when I want to see when I was like real homeless.
Well, yeah, I can't wait for Christmas to come again, you know. I'm gonna
Wait,
make a dread shepherd pie.
Jenna
Sorry,
saying
I
something.
was just gonna say I cannot sleep now.
You're gonna sleep now?
Yeah.
All right. You have a blessed night. Take care.
So
Yeah,
thank you.
later they.
It was
No
Bye,
very
problem.
and thank
Jenna.
you for the vibes. The first time I came like for the full vibes. And it's
You're welcome, sweetie
Hey, Jenna,
pie.
Jenna, you don't find this is
Yes,
more
I'm
vibes than
part
like the actual
of the
classes, like the
family
actual phone
now.
call.
Like a
Like
sister never.
you don't
sorry,
find
I had two people at the same time.
you don't find this is be like more fun than the phone five class, like you know what I mean? Like
Yes.
I
It's
don't know,
kind of
like
like it's kind of both, but this is more vibes. Yeah.
Thanks,
um,
Renisha. You're
Of
welcome.
course, yes.
all you
I
have
don't
to
like how she taking all the credit there.
nah, she can't take
To be
all
honest,
Go
there's
lie.
more
Sit down in the
vibes.
corner there and relax yourself.
There's more
I had to say
classes than
something.
there's at school.
You taking all the
with
credits.
Jenna trying to say something. Say what you
Sorry,
gotta say, Jenna.
there's more vibes in this class than there is at school. So I'm very appreciative.
Yeah.
That's how it does
No problem.
always be.
Yeah.
That's how
It
it,
is always the
that's
vibes.
how it always be.
Yes.
Always.
Okay, bye guys.
Mostly
Good night.
later.
Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Good night, good night.
Hello, what is this boy? Why did I do this?
Trying to aura farm boy.
Mugging.
Is that in a toy store?
Idea out there.
No, why
They
is this
should
cat though?
open a school. I will
The, the,
totally
Renisha fighting for she life right now, you know. Renisha fighting for she life right now, you know.
the back room Wi-Fi kicking in again, bro. Oh gosh. And I just say it's robot.
You, Nikolai, I tell you, 1 p.m. when you bed and leave me alone, boy.
What?
That is old granny talking right now. I say no. That
Excuse
sound like
you?
old granny talking right now.
Don't make
Oh my god, what sir, why are you bold?
He's bold and he's touching people who have hair.
Elite ball knowledge. Wait, Nikolai, that's your brother? Noah. See you, Noah. Before I don't get the chance, have a great night, son. I'll be there for the next life. That's your brother, Nikolai?
I think that's my mother. Or it could be my brother because my mother just used his name for some reason.
The profile picture is okay?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
did
know.
I know?
Yeah, I look at well, have a mini Zoom on thing, he's be answering questions correct,
So he right there?
Oh, he right here?
Noah.
Noah. Noah real smart, all. Hey, Noah, always the plan. Good night, good night.
All right here.
You're real supposed to the camera, though.
Why you so sir?
Watch. Check, Noah.
All right, sir. All right. Don't do that. Well, I'm laughing.
Wait there.
Nah, man, sir. Don't do that.
I'm scared all or what?
Oh god.
I was fixing my chest.
All I want to see
Man,
all I want to see how others look like when when I do get like a haircut for like a whole semester in UE, like a real
Yeah.
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 Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Oh,
Damn.
damn.
our old grandfather
Damn.
boy, man, age 17 years.
like all the fears
Uncle
jokes.
Rajiv there, boy.
Man looking like Markiplier there, boy.
All the
He
fears
looking
jokes
like,
like
wait. Not gonna lie, that looking like John Wick, but without the
Yeah.
glasses.
John
Yeah.
Wick.
what is this?
All your sir acting a movie.
No, only like seriously though, like what?
Nah,
Oh, wait, who's that?
that picture look like
Sir,
John
that's
Wick.
your that's your doppelganger. That's not you. I thought that's you. That's not
That
you.
that
Where your beauty mark gone? That's not you.
like what is this? Nah, boy.
So it's
Like
been
Going
rough
to all the
times there, boy.
puberty, boy.
that was
Like
very, very
if you see
that
some
was
pictures of this man when he young, you won't believe it's the same person. I legit stunned when I watch this man when he young, but
I was younger, or they go say I still have the same face. That's serious.
so let me see.
That's no.
later they
But
Adelina heading out
yeah,
there, boy.
All
And
right. Take care.
Virginia,
Have a blessed night.
take
you
care.
too.
What the hell?
Devon, this is our peak picture, boy.
The gang, boy, the gang.
Oh, look, Mrs. Matt vibes. Look how cute.
Oh,
That's the
so
gang, boy.
cute.
The whole lineup.
Hashtag couple goals.
Wait, out of that whole picture, the only thing I noticed so far was something on his beard. What was that? No, I see that, but what was on you, sir? Oh,
Everybody get decorated. I don't remember it's who decorated. I think it's Miss Mats vibes. Decorated with flowers. Whole gang.
hey, peak. I think I'm looking
Whole
sleepy, so.
dog. I wasn't sleepy. I went walking around the whole
Somebody if you're
day.
saying it. Okay. That's not. I'm gonna
Yeah,
load
he
up.
looking real sleepy there.
I was, to be honest, I went walking out the whole day. Ooh, Renisha, that's you, boy.
The little girl is me. The big girl is my big sister.
I can answer the big
That
girl
was
was you.
primary school
I
days.
know I seen.
Nah, I know. So wait. So they're trying to say it's 26. It's not 26.
You're not?
We
How
push.
old are you then?
We pushing that age real fast. It's crazy, boy.
I was the one in primary school.
We don't know better to do, boy.
On here. You see in the face.
Clearly not.
Same face.
That's how we reminiscing in the past, sir.
I suppose we are reminiscing in the past. Right, so this is how I used to look when I was younger.
That's the same guy. Be honest.
Nah.
That I saying. That's two completely
Well,
different
technically,
people.
that
man.
is so without a beard.
I feel you
It's so
you know what?
without a beard.
You see look at that. When I look at that picture, you look like you was catfishing people. Like compared to now, that picture look like catfishing.
So,
I was
so which
very,
is one?
I was very skinny.
I could ask a question. I could pass this an Indian. Yes or no? Be honest.
I can't really see it, too blurry.
It looks mixed.
Just no. Yeah, I am mixed. Not fully Indian.
I could tell that. Yeah, it looked mixed. Ollie. No, what is this, Ollie? What is this? Tell me, guys,
As
what
you
is
said,
this?
oh
So that's
yeah,
you.
that is you.
Same. So you look the same.
Look, this, what?
Like,
She
like
a real prince.
Nah, that picture kinda look the same.
I've
So
been
where
seeing
you
this
got?
for
Yeah, I
years.
see no difference in, but the younger one
Buy
is
me a buy.
Ollie, what is this?
Only watch
What
this
is-
one.
Ooh, I
that
don't
one
know.
is not the same.
I find us the same, just so younger.
I
I
look
don't.
Anisha there again, boy.
Yeah,
So
still a different thing.
how much fat you believe you put on, sir? Like how much you put on?
I was 120. Now I is 150.
One what?
Yeah. I was 120 like in when I was in secondary school and I was 150.
Okay.
Yeah. Or
And
like when
this
I
was
was
me
like,
last year. Ola Renisha look way completely different. Still are the same face.
yeah, how you change up yourself so much? You're looking real different.
That was makeup. That was her problem last year.
Oh, we just vibing.
Yes, I know. I don't really wear makeup, so that was like a thing for me. I don't really wear makeup.
Yeah. Let me see pictures I talking about. See that? You see that?
Okay.
You see that?
So cute. Cute.
That is not the
That-
same guy.
Oh, let's see now,
That
ugly
is
now.
It's not the
the
same
same
person.
guy.
So you're catfishing people from since you was younger. What? That don't look nothing like you. Nah. Your face completely changed.
I this
Nah, boy.
fine.
That ain't look nothing like the Reggie over there.
You see any more though?
Yeah, the mole. The mole.
If it's not
Yeah.
for that mole,
Mole in the same place.
then boy, with the hell.
So,
This
so,
man show me.
so,
This
so you
man
know
show
what
me.
happened to you? You know what happened to you? During puberty, you grow with your looks.
This man showed me the picture and I was bamboozled. I was like, that's somebody else.
You mean bean boozle, not bamboozle. Speak proper English.
Yes.
We really don't know better to do anytime.
Me, you've been teaching for like how long now?
Very long, as a matter of fact.
Yeah,
I
and that's
thought
what
I
you
was
like to do.
catfishing people, yes.
Ollie, what is it?
Wait. So Renisha, you was catfishing people.
The silence.
That's how she said that. So it's like she was catfishing people. Renisha, that's not nice enough.
The one on Mother's Day, bro.
Boy.
That drink was huge.
That drink. You see that? That drink was the size of my head. Check a look at that. Take a look at that. That cup was
So you're trying to say
massive.
I still catfishing people? Hey, not as my mom. I don't. I ain't catfishing. You need Jesus. That is what Jesus.
Wait, dog, where you get that? Dog, I sent that to you.
Wait, Rajiv.
No.
Devon, that's you?
Sir,
Yeah,
you
that's me,
spying
that's
on
me.
Wait, sir, you spying on Tevon from since then?
Oh yeah, Sir drone in. Sir
I
send a
Devon is
drone
my-
up in St.
Hold on.
Vincent
I
and
Devon is my
watching.
best friend, dog.
I
I
sure
I
I send that picture. I ain't send that picture you. You take that picture from my phone.
Your mother saw
Yeah.
my picture.
Nah, I don't believe that. I don't think my mommy had a picture because the computer with all of them pictures, it mash up. So all them pictures gone. I only had them on my iPad still.
No,
So
I
I
get
don't
that
know how
picture
I get
from.
up. I don't know how I get that one on my phone.
I don't know.
But all my pictures from when I was young, they was on my laptop and that laptop mash up before. So all them pictures gone.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I had an album with baby pictures, but I don't have it anymore. But I was really cute when I was a baby.
Hey boy.
Devon, that's not a picture from your phone, no.
But that's a picture from my iPad that Bluetooth
No, watch,
to
watch.
one of
Look, I
which
sent
one?
it. I sent it
Which
like that.
one?
I get a picture.
A real
Well, yeah,
picture,
I'm
boy.
convinced.
I send that you. I ain't believe I send that you, bro.
I am convinced Serge drone. So you're droning people.
A trolling. A what?
Droning, not trolling.
What do I mean?
But man, you do something to this picture, boy. What the hell?
What do you mean I do? I get that.
How
What
you
the hell?
cannot? Unless he said it to you and forget.
Mila, you don't find this again. Oh, okay, you can tell us it's young Devon.
Technically,
Nah, those fine so.
That's a look
My
illegal.
features kind of.
something about them face features. Face features. Something telling me that he would do that again in his adult years.
What you
And
mean?
recreate that
What you
picture.
mean? I go
Recreate
relive
the
that picture. What you
picture.
mean?